Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitching my archives. Jordan came back, so the 4-5. If you play, then you lay right there by your own kind. Pull up a 4 in a loco, tell them run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin, shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks in my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy from here. What I paid for some dogs could've bought me veneers. Texas piece on my neck could've bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Stuffing Cali blood, weed in the blunt. Let my little brother roll him a Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pouring lean on the nuggets and runch. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some, I had to stunt. Right rich, I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting or punching. Hey, ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple M's, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit, I had to go double. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.
Good morning, everybody. Sorry, Patrick's just running a little bit behind, so I thought I'd keep you entertained here for a minute. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the new BDH house. I was just catching up on my reading. Has anybody got the book yet? It's a good one. How's everybody's holiday go? I'm happy to be back. Looking at the charts over here, what do you think the day is going to be like? People here say it's going to be a bullish day. What are your thoughts? Hello, hello. Good morning. I finally made my appearance. Patrick got a makeover. This is what he wanted to surprise you guys with. I'm actually Patrick. He'll be on in a second. I don't know where he is, but I'm sure he'll make his appearance any time now. Might be a little cold in here. Haven't got the heating figured out. It's actually really cold here in Florida, so I'm just not used to this anymore. Bears triple market? Nah, bullish day. I haven't been trading much lately, but being in this warehouse, it's definitely giving good vibes. I feel like I can, oh! I think he's coming.
Oh my good lord!
What's up, motherfuckers? What is up? What's good in the hood? TV's on over here. We got so much shit going on here right now. Oh God, I don't even know. I got how many remotes? How many? Oh, one. There we go. People think that it's, you know, trading's all about learning how to trade, but really it's just all about having as many remotes as possible. All right. So we are officially live. We're officially live here, boys. Looking at the NASDAQ right now. Let's get into it. We got some surprise guests here today. Later on, we're gonna have our friend Brett Simba right there. We've got another new trader in the house back there, Emilio. He's gonna be trading and hanging out with us today. So you can see all the different angles here. We ready? All right. Fired up. We're fired up. I need an energy drink. Real quick. We were fucking locked and we were loaded, boys. Woo!
If we make money, you got to shotgun one of those.
Shotgun. Every time we make money, we got a shotgun C4. Oh, Lord. That's going to get wild. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what the fucking do. I'll turn this bitch off right now. First day, I'll turn it off. Maybe I won't, but I will. All right. Emilio, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at it's looking good to the upside, dude. I'm not going to lie.
I think we're going up today.
The upside is looking quite sexy today.
Emilio likes the upside. We got this pivot point right here, 21,105. We got VWAP up here, 21 EMA. This is also that gap fill. We're going to be filling that gap, that dotted line right there. So it's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. The what?
21,200 is looking dangerous.
21,200 liquidity.
That hold above, we're going to the upside.
All right, so Emilio likes it above 2,100 to 21,200. Only problem for me is we're like going to be running right into that VWAP there, but we'll see. Look at the bigger picture here now on the hourly chart. You can see we bounced right off that pivot point. On the even bigger picture, I was kind of looking at this. Got a triple, kind of quadruple. I don't even know. It's a lot of support here at this 21,000 area. We had job numbers come out this morning, and yeah, it was.
Market sold them for no reason.
Market sold off with higher job numbers, maybe afraid that the Fed's gonna continue with the rates. So we'll see. We're ready. I'm ready. What's the purpose of the guys behind me? They're here to just hang out. What does the BDH mean? Think about it. Think about it. If you don't know, you don't know.
If you're asking, it's because you're not in the circle.
If you don't know, you don't know. BDH, baby! Emilio, jump in that seat right there and tell the chat who you are, what you're about.
What's up, guys? Name's Emilio.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, there we go. Let me know.
We're in. No, now we're in. Check it now.
There we go. What's up, guys? Been trading futures 2.5 years after I got scammed in forex, so let's run that. But yeah, trading right now, funded trader with over 10 accounts right now. Been trading 2.5 years. 21 years old, surprisingly. So yeah, man, just here to get some profits. Running here the BDH, get some good energy. Fade whoever says we're not going to make money. And then running from there.
Somebody commented and said that they hope that I lose money on the first day.
Now you got to double
that's
down
fucked
on
up.
making money.
That's fucked up. Who would wish that upon anybody? I would wish that upon nobody. All right. Good morning. We're back. We're doing it. And get ready for market open here. We're ready for market open. It's a little hot in here. Is it hot in here or is it just me? Fired up.
I was a little cold.
A little cold? You were a little cold for sure. Victoria was a little cold on stream.
You don't need an heating system when you got a fucking flat 6 on.
Yeah. Fucking cars.
Gets too cold, get the Lambo in here, a couple of revs.
All right, 5-minute chart. We do have kind of a massive bear flag potential here. If we sell to the downside, what looks like? What are you looking on Bookmap right now?
75 looks good. But
Pat, you need an actual barber. Okay, thank you. Oh, now my mic is
21
gone.
looks solid though. 21 flat looks good. We're supporting a lot there, dude. If it drops back down, there could break it and just shatter from there. The market makers are touching your screen.
Market makers.
There's.
Market makers are on you.
Oh, it's such a joke. Why am I live? Has to do this? Can't this shit just work? This fucking camera went off. Yeah.
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Camera's off. We're doing some, still figuring out everything, guys. Hang with me. Hang with me, boys. We're getting it figured out. Who's the other lady? Well, we got the whole crew in here. The Only Prop Firms crew's here. We got some filmers here. We got, yeah, Victoria's over there. We got Lauren. We got Fox. It's getting wild, baby. We are front. We all ready. It's been a total nightmare trying to get everything dialed in because we're doing stuff, you know, I've never really had multiple cameras, multiple microphones, multiple everything, multiple cars, multiple traders, multiple screens. It's getting wild. Brett's going to be here at 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock for Brett. I got so many TVs in this bitch. More TVs, more profits. More TVs, more profits. Show us the office. Don't worry, we got a lot of videos coming out here, dude. All right. Focus, people, focus.
Locked in?
Locked in, baby. Locked in. Look at the hourly chart here. We've got that pivot point down there really just holding us up support right now. 21,170 area.
You're also looking at the 170 level?
Well, we're sitting here at the 170 level.
If it can hold above.
I got a pivot point at 159. I'm getting back above the 21 EMA here now.
I got the bookmap view up on the 159 as well.
Got my rollie on. Wee, look at that thing. Ooh, you got the rollie on too? Oh, what you got?
Hulk.
The Hulk. You got a Hulk. I got the, I don't even know what the fucking thing's called. It's a big one. I think it's the Sea Dweller.
Oh, it's a sweet.
Sea Dweller. 44 Sea Dweller.
They're comfortable watches.
They're not bad. I mean, it's a little heavy.
It is.
You feel the weight, you know, it's pulling you down.
Forcing you to press
But pulling you down. VWAP sitting there, 21,220 area. I think that just has to get touched here at open.
Yeah.
What does the BDH stand for? Everyone keeps asking. I mean, you could put 2 and 2 together, you know?
100,000 likes in your review.
Think about it. If we get 1,000 likes, I'll tell you what BDH means. Should be able to hear me now on the mic. We got mic, check. Checkity, check. How's that sound? Mic check. Chat. Who are the other folks? We got all kinds of folks. We got some filmers here today. We got the crew. We got all the good time. Some reverb. I think I know what it is. How about now? How about now? Catch me outside. How about now? Should be good now, no? Oh, no, here. Reverb. Take the reverb away. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Hey, you know, we're doing it live, people.
Dude, nobody's putting orders on the downside anymore.
No orders of the downside?
They're taking the orders off. Look,
Okay.
they're taking it off.
Okay. No orders of the downside.
They're getting cut off already. Nobody's willing to buy anymore.
I thought it was gonna come back to the bounce.
Dude, if it goes down, it's gonna rip. If it goes like
Mic. Should be good.
It's gonna rip flat. Like if it goes down, it'll rip pretty quick. Well, I don't see it. Because there's nothing willing to stop price. It's gonna be a fun open today.
Someone got screwed. We got more chairs coming. Brett Simba's gonna be here at 10 o'clock today, so I'm gonna make some money and then Brett's gonna walk in. What is BDH? Come on.
You're asking me today.
The number one question today, what is BDH? Come on, everybody knows what BDH is.
Send them a picture of the painting.
Everybody knows what BDH is, right? Everybody knows. Like everybody in the whole office knows what BDH means. How does nobody on the chat know?
Send them a picture of the little painting you got outside.
It's big.
They may get a clue.
It's big house. Put something in the middle. The biggest to hardest. That's a pretty good one. It's kind of, it has a little bit of an extra meaning to it, I guess. You know, like the BDH. BDH can really be whatever you want it to be. You know,
Mr. Miyagi.
you can be whatever you want. 1,000 likes, I'll reveal the name BDH. What is it? It's gonna get wild either way. Right now, NASDAQ pulling back here into that 21 EMA, the pivot point right there. We're kind of watching. You got that 21,100 pivot point down there next. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. All right. For everybody in the chat, it means big dick house. Come on. Big dick house. BDH. Are you gonna get married today? Yes, that's actually my plan. Getting married live on YouTube. It's gonna be great. I cannot wait to get married on YouTube.
Officiated by Brett Simba.
Yeah, Brett's gonna officiate. Brett's gonna officiate the marriage. It's gonna be great.
21,200 is looking great, bro. You can break it, bro, but I'm longing any day of the week. We got the boys in the chat here.
We got another higher low over here.
Not even that. If we just price from the honest, I think we're good to go. And the BDH is crazy, guys. They got the Porsche in the back. Crazy.
When we'll have. Oh, he's frozen. Look at he's frozen there. Once Brett's here, he's gonna be on that computer there, talking and breaking down some stuff. So we got all kinds of stuff coming.
It's gonna be a fun day, guys. For the ones on my Discord stream, today's gonna be a bit longer. We got like something coming through the BDH. That's funny.
We in it. Nutty Bar. I'm gonna try to get Nutty Bar here next week. Actually, we'll try to get Nutty Bar here. Nutty Bar. The little Nutty Bar. He's just a little Nutty Bar. That little Nutty Bar. Do love a good. I still wonder. I have to ask him when he's here. Why did he come up with the Nutty Bar name? You think he has a thing for nutty bars? Just a bar of nutty bars. 21 EMA right there, sitting there.
7 minutes. What do you think?
7 minutes. What do I think? Oh man. 15-minute chart. I think we're gonna get some volatility here at open.
Yeah.
Maybe test these lows again. Maybe rip up. Who knows? It's gonna ride the action, baby. Rod Capital said that he was screwed over multi-million-dollar business. Oh Lord.
Make it back.
It's not good.
Lock in and make it back.
Lock in, make it back.
Make it back.
Lock in, make it back. Oh God.
At least for me, I'm long if we break above 21,200 and hold. If we take it and reject all the time. Interesting. Yeah, we got a pivot level, 21,200. Right on 225 is looking interesting with 104. What is there?
I actually started playing soccer with Ryan Dodgy. Someone in the chat said Ryan's got to be here. I actually played soccer with him last Tuesday. We played soccer. We won.
You gotta try out for the Miami team, bro. You gotta bench Messi.
Working on it. Working on it.
Messi. This is looking at going lower here this week right here. We got some decent bullish sharp on the last 5 minutes. NQ and lower data's higher though. So this is self-look.
We got 7 minutes here. 7 minutes, baby.
Patrick, they're giving you shit because you call it soccer, not football.
Yeah, soccer, football, soccer. Look at my new Porsche driving. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at it. Oh, it's me. Just driving down. Oh God, aggressive. Don't put that on the internet. Don't put that on the internet.
Then there's news release at 10 a.m.
What's the news at 10?
Let me check it out.
Look at that thing. Ooh! James Bond, baby. Oh my God. How can one man be so beautiful? Just get ready. The shock. Oh!
Tibor, appreciate you. Tibor, what's the news release that's coming out?
I mean, that's a pretty sexy car. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I own it, obviously, but like, God damn. God damn, there it is. I got the best green screen machine in the world. GT3 RS. How can you not stay in the lane? Dude, I couldn't control it. It's too much power, man. I couldn't stay in the lane. Couldn't stay in the lane, you know? Look, it was like I get stuck. Oh, look at that. Oh, I couldn't stay in the lane.
University of Michigan releasing a 10.
Michigan inflation?
Michigan, yeah, and sentiment, yeah.
I just couldn't stay in the lane, man. It just the car is very unstable. I paid $380,000 for an unstable car. What a ripoff.
Porsche standard.
I'm calling Porsche up right now. I want a refund. This thing, I need a refund.
Market opens in 5. Should have shorted NFT, bro.
It's a car that makes you spill your guts. No, it's not. Tesla is faster. Yeah, but it's a fucking Tesla.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody getting fucking blowjobs in a Tesla.
Kick him out of the street for saying that, bro. Tesla's Setup's crazy. I'm in the BDH right now.
3 minutes. 3 minutes here.
I'm not gonna trade the open.
Not gonna trade the over?
Not the 930 candle.
Oh, just 930 all in, baby.
Nah, dude, 'cause there'll be trades that'll take a 930 on the dot, dude.
On the dot. I'm all in. I'm all in at 930.
We've hit some quick TPs. Riskier than I like this person. 930 932, 933. If we break up to 22.
Everybody in the chat, guys. By the way, this is the inaugural test, right? We got a lot to still figure out, work on. It's gonna get better. This is the first one, you know. Work with me, not against me, chat. Come on, work with me, not against me, man.
The chat will always be the biggest off.
Tim Bible in the chat. What's good? What's good?
Market opens in 2 minutes. If we take the 200 level though and reject, downside could be less. At least when we downside, we got 2190 to talk about. Let's keep that level in mind. Just in case. Stellar absorption right now at 2152. If this goes higher, breaks 200 on long after the open. What are we thinking? Full court today?
A little push up here.
Full court live accounts?
A little push up.
There we go, NQ.
All right, less than a minute here till the first official start to the BDH live adventures. We'll see how she plays. How will she go?
Again, guys, breaks above 21,200 and holds at least for a minute. I'm long.
All right, looking for some longs above 2,100, 21,200 over there.
Top would be at 21,160.
I like it. I like it.
A bit of a room.
Watching here.
40-point room. And then targeting at least the 300 levels, if not even more. Unless he is approaching that level now. Let's cook or get cooked.
Here we go. We're open.
Bit of a slower open than what I expected. If it bounces from here and breaks it, but again, 21,200 level. Until I don't see those orders wiped out, I'm not touching shit. Could we sell off from here? Let's see, fellas. Not looking at anything right now. If I want to see the downside though, let's see if there's no aggressiveness.
Holding that 160 area. 21 EMA. We got a pivot point right there.
I got my VWAP there too.
You got your VWAP there. He's got his VWAP there.
Got a little seller stepping in at 5,959. Sellers are in. They're getting controlled quickly at this level. I'm gonna wait for a break with this area. I'm not trading this chop. Been in this area for the past since before 9 a.m. and it really don't break out here. Okay, there we go. Seeing some downside.
Taking that low right there.
Probably gonna drag to the 190 level.
Bear flag on the 15-minute chart looking like it wants to play out here. Let's see.
If it bounces off of what goes above, okay, we're getting a lot of sellers, guys. I'm stepping in with a sell, stop at 145, take profit at 190, and then holding it right if it goes. So I'm stepping in on the sell right now.
Got a little double bottom here at the 80s to get to. See if we get to that.
This is 45 level. If it rejects, I'm stepping in. Stop would be at the 155 low. And then if it steps from there, then we're good, right? It's rejecting. I'm waiting for the rejection if it takes out the low. rejection here. There we go. Again, 21,200 breaks there. We're money.
Still getting denied there at the 21 EMA for now. Just watching here. If we get this sell through that 120 level, could move all the way down to 21,000 here today. The bottom that data came out, 21,045 was the low on that data candle or the news candle. So kind of watching, see if we're going to lose this 120 area. Need a clear break. Still holding up there.
I'm going long one contract right now, guys. My stop's going to be at the recent swing going to 1 minute. And again, I'm only going one contract tested out. If it breaks above the levels, I'll scale it in full position. So I'm going long right now, guys.
Got the VWAP up here. If we get above that 200 level, I think we take out after the VWAP that pivot point at the 230s.
If it breaks above, I'm going in full position. I'm just starting it out right now. Stop loss is going to be over to 120.
A little bit of a flag setup here to try to push through that 200 level here next, guys.
So I'm in with one contract right now, guys. Again, if it does push higher, then I'll take my full entry at the 2200 level once we clear out this liquidity. If we don't, I'll take the loss with one contract. That's fine. Stop is at the 115. So it plays out. If I don't see these sellers get taken out quick, I'm getting out. Though. I'm not trying to get a decision if it's not working my way. Yeah, it's not working. I'm getting out right now, guys. I'm waiting for the break.
Looking like trouble right here. If we start to dump through this 50 area, could take it right on down.
Yep. Right now, both sides of the market are red until it doesn't break down. Try it out with that whole contract didn't play out. It's ranging right now.
Just stuck in this range right here. See if we sell through the 130s now. I'm gonna try this for a short here to get through the 30s, stop at the 60s. Oh. Stop there for now. Ugh. Just choppy. Just choppy.
I'm waiting for the range to clear.
Yeah, it needs to get through this range.
And it's off. The 21,200 level is all consolidated now. So if we break through, it's going to be a clean break. Now I'll wait until we get them to move at 21,100. And then write that down into the 2100. Just the 21 flag. Yeah. Discord, you guys can see my screen right and everything.
There goes the low now. It's going to go.
Breaks it at 21,100, guys. I'm starting to see 21 flag until it doesn't clear.
There goes the short through the 120s now.
I'm waiting. If we break this print low, we have them shorting. I'm waiting. If I take a short base, it's gonna be after it clears out this 87 level. With
Short's getting paid there. Just got stopped out on a fucking stupid entry there. There it goes. Selling down now.
we still got 87 lit up. That's why I'm not fully taking the position yet. Because until 87 doesn't clear, I'm not willing to sell. There we go. 87 clear, and my limit got filled in, so I'm in on the position. Right now, I'm just looking for continuation lower, and if it does go lower, then we're printing. We're seeing some buyers stepping in at 21.7. That's fine. If we continue lower, we have a big aggressive seller coming in right now. If we can clear this level at 80 that just popped up, we should be good to go for the downside. It should be clean run at least until the 21.100 level. Until the 21 flat level. Okay, just looking for this seller to get. If this buyer gets broken through, we're gonna in on my position. And yeah, happy.
There goes the short down through the pivot point now. Amazing.
Vamos, coño. Up 6 bands so far, guys. Up 6 downs. Again, looking for sellers to step through right now. I want to see aggressiveness to the downside. I don't want to see much push higher. 2187 is now holding. Again, I want to see aggressiveness to the downside right now. The tape is low. Volume is low around this area. It should be a quick push if it is a push. Right, as soon as it's going up, we're seeing buyers step in. Right, we got buyers at sellers at 21.100. It's a bit of drawdown, but I'll take that as long as it holds. And as long as 21.100 holds, I'm good. If it doesn't hold, I'm out.
Took out that, went through that pivot point there.
I want to see aggressiveness to the downside now, guys. Just took all those sellers in. We got
This fucking camera, dude.
at that level. I want to see
Just keeps turning the fuck on and off. Why? Well, I can't work in these conditions. I don't know why that camera just keeps fucking turning off.
There we go. Sellers stepping in. If we can break the current low at just under the 80s, we should be good for the downside, right? Some buyers just did thing from what I'm seeing in the Delta 356.
Oh, this is exactly the short that I wanted earlier. Just sized in a little too heavy there. From the 60s now, 100 points down there. It's 100 points from where I got stopped out. Are you fucking kidding me? Dude,
That's criminal.
why is this fucking camera such a joke?
Again, we're seeing buyers come in, support price around this area. That's why I want to see a quick break lower.
Keeps turning off. Classic. You're so classic.
Let's see if it rejects her. If it doesn't, I'm not willing to really stay in. We got
Camera's fucked.
If it rejects her, good though. And right now, I think we're just gathering orders. Going on the downside. If we can absorb the 75 and the 60s level, we're good. There we go, pushing lower. Again, we're seeing a lot of buyers at this area. Not too confident in the power we could see down from now on, really. It's projecting nicely right now, but not too confident right now. Just looking iffy. A lot of buyers stepping in, but the deltas are still remaining bearish. That's why I'm willing to stay to sell.
Wow. The delay is crazy, people said. Is the delay crazy?
YouTube delays.
There shouldn't be any delay though. Fucking A. I'll have to fix it on the next stream. I don't know why it's set to normal right now. Apologies. God damn it.
If this level doesn't hold, I'm getting out. Just because we saw the bias kind of push a bit over here.
Yeah. On the next stream, the delay will be fixed. I don't know why it's set to normal latency. It should be at ultra low latency. Should be what it should be. My bad. Little pushback up here off the hundreds again. 21,100.
Getting too choppy in this area. I'm not liking it when the sellers are not stepping in soon. What time is it? It is 9:43. 17 minutes until we get the news release. I think the news release might move the market a bit more. I'm hoping we can get a push down before the news. So I can actually make some money. Again, a lot of buyers are stepping in right now in this area, guys. If the sellers are able to go to the 62 level, we're money.
Shorts are another little bear flag. We got that news coming out at 10 a.m. or 9:45.
10 a.m.
10 a.m. news coming out here.
9:45 news release. There we go. We can finally break under here. Price should go quickly towards the 21 flag. But again, we're seeing a lot of buyers step in over here. Deltas are turning bullish. We're rejecting. Let's just see what the market wants.
The job is real.
Might just step out of the trading range.
Yeah, they're just. I get is my mic somehow like picking your up over there a bunch. Waiting for these numbers. Well, I guess see what happens here at 10. We got the 15-minute range about to be done. So the 15-minute range is set. Kind of a weird spot right here. That short from the 60s would have been nice. Bloop. Bloop. If we lose the 15-minute range, you know this is going downtown and take out that 40 level next. Really easily, so. Look at that dump. Good Lord. We got all those lows down there. We should take out that 70 area and move right on down there to the 40s next.
Yep.
Take out that data low there very easily. Let's see if we can get down there. I'm going to stop at pretty much the high of that little candle there now. Oh, no way. It's going. 46 got a break here. Did me dirty. I got done dirty there. There we go. There we go. Terrible short entry, but fucking technical difficulties here. From the 72s down there to the 46s to lock it in there. Still going lower, taking out that low now, like we said, right through that pivot point there. The low of that data candle was 43. We got a pivot point right there, 21,000. Look at it, still going. Down there, 20,980 right now. If you guys haven't hit that like button, blow up the like button. It's free to like. Free to like. All right, so we're watching here. We obviously just took out that low. We've got the 10 o'clock coming up next. See where Brett Simba's at. Where you at, Brett? He hasn't even messaged me this morning. Hopefully he knows where he's going. You're gonna find out. You're gonna find out here. The fact that we just took out that data low here kind of gets me scared to be short still.
A lot of buyers stepped in at 2100, 2112.
30 centimeters away from the microphone is the best. Thanks, chat. God. Wait, how big is 30 centimeters?
Like this.
Wait.
30.
Babe, how big is 30 centimeters?
It's a ruler stick, babe.
Wait, what?
A ruler stick.
A roller stick? Is a roller stick?
It's 30 centimeters.
That's 30 centimeters?
Ruler stick, yeah.
That big? I don't know if I can get that far from the mic. Mike, get away from 30. It's about 30 centimeters. What the fuck is a centimeter? I don't even know how a centimeter works.
Bounce looks nice. I want a bit more.
The bounce.
Bigger push up. I want the news to pass too, dude. I'm not too concentrated before 10 right now.
Emilio's waiting for 10. I like that idea. We got the news here in 8 minutes. Get a better move.
Not worth the risk, in my opinion.
Ain't that the truth?
Got the shorts up 4K for the day so far. And not complain.
Do I have a gate on the microphone? I don't think so. Where's your hair? My hair fell off. I went too fast in the Lambo. Top Step's got no position open. We got cameras. We got stuff everywhere. On the other side over there, we got Top Step TV on there. We're ready to go, baby. Where the fuck is Brett at? He's going to come in like right at 10 o'clock. God, special guest, man. Special fucking guest, boys. Watching this pivot point right there. Pivot point at the 21,040s. Another little bear flag kind of setting up here on the 2-minute chart. If we lose this, what was that? The low there. The low 21,010. Lose that, move on down to that next pivot point, 985s. You know those 80s, those 50s love to get touched.
There we go, breaking that 20. If it breaks, it should melt.
We got 7 minutes, 8 minutes, no, 6 minutes until this news comes out. So nothing wrong with just waiting for that 10 a.m. news. We've already taken out this 830 low. So it's like we know that was kind of the objective. We had a short up here at the 60s, got stopped out, and then the fucker just kept on going. Gotta love it. That 21 EMA just denying it there as well. What does BDH mean? Do we got 1,000 likes on the stream yet? I'll tell everybody what BDH means if we get 1,000 likes. I'm pretty sure everybody can just guess. Just put 2 and 2 together. Patrick Whelan, big, think about it. Big
drawdown.
Big drawdown. That's a good one. Big drawdown house. We got a big drawdown house. Where we at? 1,000 likes. Oh my God, we're blowing it up today, boys. So BDH is very simply, it's just big dick house. I know. You would think that it would be something else more, you know, fancy, but nope.
Sophisticated enough.
It's literally just big dick house. I know. It's crazy.
Oh, right under.
So if you look over in this area right over here, that area right there, that area is going to have a huge, what is it? Driving simulator there. So I'm going to have a like $40,000, $50,000 professional driving simulator. So I could just, you know, be all like race car driver now. The ladies are said ooh. No, they got big dicks too. Everybody here got big dicks. Oh Lord. Are those all proven traders? Yes, Victoria's #1 trader in the world. Have you seen the Robbins Cup? Victoria's on top, baby. Oh, we got some stuff popping up here today. Waiting for Brett here any minute now. Hey, Colin, will you ask, see if the Ventador is done?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. We got the car. I got the car detailer right here. I got a car show on Saturday at the Hard Rock Supercar Saturdays. If you guys are around South Florida, check it out tomorrow. I'll be there. Supercar Saturdays. Maybe I'll bring some swag to give out or something. I don't know. Who knows? You never know. All right, NASDAQ kind of holding up here. We got that pivot point right there. I want to see what happens with this news. Right? We got this news coming out at 10 o'clock. And yeah, introduce the ladies. Well, not really, you know. Victoria's over there. That's Victoria working on her computer. And then Lauren is my head of digital marketing, advertising, strategy, SEO. And then over in the back there is Ginger, my new executive assistant. She just She just executive assist stuff. You know, if I'm like, hey, I need executive assisting, she just handles it. Whatever needs to be done, she just handles it. She's my right hand. I was gonna say man, but my right hand lady. What is the chart? This is the NASDAQ. We're looking at the NQ right now on the 2-minute chart. If we pull up the 15-minute chart, we did break the 15-minute low here at 9:30. The 9:30 15-minute opening range, we broke to the downside. We lost that 60 area, moved all the way down there for a nice little 60-point move to the downside. I took a short here, took a little short, and locked in some profit for the 15-minute range break. And you can see here the short from the 72s down there to the 46s. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Tested the 15-minute low, 21 EMA as well. We just tested that 21 EMA right there. 21,070s, right? This could play out as another big bear flag before this news comes out. I think they're going to wait for this news either way. We got 50 seconds till the news comes out. 50 seconds. My apologies for the delay today. I don't know why, but for some reason, YouTube automatically put it to normal latency. Tomorrow, I'll have it to ultra low, or on Monday. We're getting the bugs worked out. This is only the beginning. This is like a test run, boys and girls. Test run, right? Give me a little bit of props in the chat. You know, I've been working fucking night and day. Literally yesterday, I worked from 5 a.m. till 6 o'clock at night. I was so exhausted. I got to a point where I almost threw up. I told my people, I was like, I gotta go. I gotta get out of here. I'm about to fucking pass out. I'm exhausted. All right, here we go. News coming out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Not looking good. Not looking good. The bear flag playing out there. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, there's that 980 area right to that pivot point. Who would have thought? Where'd my hair go? It fell. I'm getting old, man. I got tired of people making fun of me for my hair getting thin, so I just cut it all off. And now they all comment about how my head looks weird with no hair. It doesn't matter what I do. The chat will never be happy. The chat will never be happy. They're never going to be happy, chat. Victoria, you want to jump in that chair right there for a second? There you go. Oh, oh, look at that beautiful creature. She can't see anything, but you can talk.
Can I talk? I can't see anything?
You can't see anything. You just got to talk.
Okay, hi.
How's your trading been going?
Oh, it's fabulous. Actually, no, I've been too busy with Pirate
it's hard,
to really
right?
focus on the trading.
It's hard to like mentally be focused on trading when you got all the other stuff going on too.
God, you should have warned me I was going to be on camera. I didn't know coming over here I was.
Well, I'm waiting on Brett. He's supposed to be here. I have no idea where the fuck Brett's at right now.
Where's the camera? Oh, I'm not even looking at the
literally
camera.
shows up late to his guest appearance. Market's still going lower here. Market is just dumping. That bear flag absolutely played out beautifully.
Colin, can you get my
Wow.
coffee for me, please?
Still 100 points from the 50s now. 21,050s just dumping.
Thanks.
Got to be kidding me. Still going. She should be an actress or a model. What do you think? You want to be an actress or a model?
My modeling days are behind me.
She was a model at one point. She went to India to be a model. I mean, Indian model. The Bollywood.
Not quite like that.
No, it was definitely like that.
We should have question time for Victoria. I can answer
No
all
questions.
the questions.
Back to the trading. Get out of here. Back to work, woman. All right, so now we're looking at the NASDAQ 950 area. Aloha, good stuff. Let's go. Right now, 950s support again. What you doing over there? What's Bookmap saying?
37 is interesting. A lot of buyers here.
Amelia's looking at Bookmap. Tell us, Amelia, what will happen next?
If it breaks under 37, we're still dumping.
Breaking below 37, still dumping. To where? We don't have any pivot points left. We got no pivot points left.
Till wherever the market makers want to send.
We literally got no pivot points left here.
There's not much to the downside, but if 937 breaks, the sell orders are just going to push it down until somebody buys it.
All right. Still pushing. 950s, 940s. Oh, that 15-minute bear flag was just too sexy. Played out so beautifully. I need like another good bear flag here. We had that bear flag set up, that data came out. It's just hard to be short right there with the data coming out at 10 o'clock, because then you're like, fuck, if this thing dumps, yeah, or if it pumps or dumps, it's kind of a 50-50 coin toss at that point. So I try to not flip the coin. I try to get the rollies. Oh, you guys see my new Rolex? Oh yeah, just kidding. Oh man, Colin, what are you doing over there? There's just a guy walking. People on the stream are like, what's this guy just walking around doing? Just walk. Look at him. He's just walking around over there. We can see you every angle, bro. I can see you everywhere. Are you filming at least? Colin's filming behind the scenes video. So if you guys are excited to see what happens behind the scenes for the rated R version, no filters. You thinking it's gonna go lower still? Fuck. I mean, let's look at the hourly chart. Where are we at? I mean, we just blew through this 21. This has been key support, 21,000 key support. I don't think we're. I don't want to say I don't think we're not gonna bounce, but I feel like 20,800 would kind of be. You seeing that? 20,800.
Yeah, that's the only level.
That's the only level. Now that we broke that support. The problem now though is if you get short right here, it's gonna fucking rip all the way back up to 21,000 at least, and then take a dump.
2125 looks good as well, dude. So.
Kevin McDonald, tons of orders down at the 800s. I got Emilio looking at the book map right now. My little book mapper over there.
Yeah, you got 56 orders.
What's the biggest liquidity on the book map right now?
Upside, bro. 2125.
Biggest, the largest.
Until you don't tap these areas.
Until you tap that?
Yeah.
You want to tap that?
Perhaps.
Emilio, you want to tap that?
Perhaps.
Emilio wants to tap it. Emilio showed up this morning in an Uber. His girlfriend took his car, went to brunch. He's like, what the fuck? Brunch on a Friday? Who goes to brunch on a Friday? If Victoria's like, I'm going to brunch on a Friday, I'd be like, well, you better go find a new boyfriend. Ain't got no time for that. Get to work. 1 minute. Fresh Cash Friday. We work on Monday. We work on Friday. Every other day of the week, it don't matter. But Mondays and Fridays, baby. Look at this. NASDAQ. This is just one of those stupid shorts where it's like, it's a beautiful, like you think it just wants to go lower, but as soon as you get short, it's going to just do some stupid fucking rip back up into here. So there it goes. Making new lows now. Emilio's cool. He should just only call out bookmap. Emilio, only call out bookmap. Bookmap level 5. Bookmap level 2. Oh God. Oh. So now we got Victoria over here. Victoria's making fun of Emilio. Oh no.
I'm 1-0 against.
Oh no. 20,900. Where do you think we're going, up or down, Victoria?
I think we're going down.
She said, why fight the trend? Right?
If I learned something, it's that.
There you go. You learned something. Your microphone's got to be. Vent done? Oh shit, now I got to move stuff. Hold on, chat. Hold on. We got problems. Things are happening. Hold on, chat. Just hold on a second. I got to move some cars. Entertain the chat.
Oh, hi everybody. Okay, it's back to me. I'm excited.
No, put you over
I've
here.
been waiting a long time to be on live. It's my 5 minutes of fame. Hopefully not the last time. But I was just catching up on my reading, if you guys haven't already. I think I mentioned this morning, but good little read, good book.
Oh. Whoa!
Lots of things are happening over here.
Way! Oh my God! You fucking the thing, the Porsche.
Can you guys hear me? Sorry, there's so much going on right now. All right, question time. Question and answers. Go for it. How good is the course, though? Patrick said he's going to add more to it, which I'm excited for, and definitely learned a lot from it. He actually hasn't taught me at all. I just listen to his course and then watch his live streams, and that's it. So you don't need a one-on-one mentor to learn his ways. You just need to keep on coming back to the lives every day and get the course. What book? This book. You don't know about this book? It's Patrick's book that he wrote. Look, him on the back. How old am I? Let's not talk about her age. Come on, you don't ask a woman her age. You know better than that. How did I meet Patrick? We met at a grocery store. We each went for the same apple. His hand touched my hand. Thank you. Nah, I can't tell Patrick no more cursing. It's part of his persona, guys. Come on. All right, we have another car in here now. Oh, that was loud. Oh, another car. Which one do you think this one is? Oh, you see it on the other screen. Okay, never mind. No surprises here.
Is it loud?
A little loud.
Do it again, maybe, so we can hear.
Which car do you like better? Do you like the Huracan, the STO? No.
You'll hear it better next time.
Is this
Don't worry.
Aventador or Huracan?
That's the Aventador.
Aventador.
Do we go lower?
I like the Porsche. I liked the McLaren the most, but now the Porsche is my favorite.
We're going lower, but it's bouncing quick.
Book or course? What's the difference? Well, the book itself. Here's the book. I'll read you a little excerpt. So, time to look in the mirror and get ready for a second. Why are you really here? Is it just about the money, the fancy car, the big house? Wow! I just opened the book and it was just right there. It's perfect. You can actually get a free copy of the book when you buy the course, if you want. Look at that fucking Aventador. Aventador! All right, NASDAQ. See, here's the problem, guys, right? This is the problem that we're in right now, is we knew this was a beautiful bear flag. Problem is, data comes out, it's almost impossible to know for sure, because if I get short here, I mean, it's like maybe it pops up, it stops me out, and then it goes lower. So it's a difficult spot we're in right now, because it's just one of these setups where it's just still going lower. So I'm not in a good place. I'm not in a good place. Look at that car. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Babe, I told him how we met.
What?
I said we each grabbed the same apple.
Don't look
at
at me. Look at the camera. You talk. Oh yeah, there you go. We met where?
We were grabbing the same apple at the grocery store. Remember? You
I thought it was
touched my
a carrot.
hand. Oh, it might have been a carrot. I wasn't paying attention to that.
Zucchini.
Could have been a zucchini too. I was just paying attention to you, baby.
Pineapple. It's one of those. So, all right.
What do I drive? Patrick, why don't you tell them what I drive now?
You already know what you drive. The Escalade. She drives that Escalade, 650 horsepower Escalade, baby. The Escalade V. Bro, where is fucking Simba? Is this kid really gonna stand me up on a guest appearance? This is literally whack.
Maybe he's trying to find parking. There's not a lot of places to park outside.
So much for prop firm CEOs being on time.
Are starting to step in now, finally, dude. I think this is gonna go hard to pull back lower.
The what?
Buyers are starting to step in, but I think it's just gonna drop from here.
Well, that's why I need this. I need buyers to come in. Let's push back up to. Let's test that 21,000. Right? If we push back up, we test that 21,000 area. Give us a bear flag there. It'd be sexy. I love that setup. And like I said, this is just the beginning, guys. We still got a lot more to figure out. Like, I've been in here working nonstop for the last fucking 2 or 3 months, just in here trying to get shit done, ready for you guys. But this is literally just the beginning. We got a lot more fun, or a lot more just good stuff to come. So don't worry. I'm working hard for you guys. Trying to find out where our special guest is.
Right here, baby.
You're the special guest?
Seems like
Victoria's
it.
taking over as special guest. What are you doing, Amelia? Are you looking at a trade, or are you just chilling right now?
I'm just looking. I'm just waiting. Sitting on cash right now.
Sitting on cash. Cash. Cash, cash, cash.
Already up 6K for the day. Don't need to do much more.
Oh, okay.
Good job,
Okay.
Amelia.
Okay.
Listen to Victoria.
Mr. Big. Mr. Big.
Hey, there we go.
Mr. Big over there.
I told you.
Mr. Big. NASDAQ 20,900. Patrick, bring back the old hairstyle. Well, unfortunately, it's not as easy as just bringing it back. I mean, it'll grow out over time. So, you know, hey, just stay tuned. Before you know, it'll be long again. How can you buy the book? Only prop firms. Will you put the fucking link in there? Stop looking at whatever you're looking at. Get on the moderating, bro. I need better moderators. Anybody want to be a moderator for our chat? Poor guy. Look at the guy in the fucking metal seat over there. People in the chat are like, look at the poor guy in the metal chair. He likes it, actually. He likes sitting on hard things. That might have, wait, that could be misconstrued. But he did say that he likes sleeping on a harder mattress last night. So maybe it's the same thing with sitting on a chair. I got this new chair. It's supposed to be the best chair in the world. Look at it. Oh, got the carbon fiber on the back. Oh, it's so fast. I don't know. They say it's supposed to be the best chair for your posture.
How's that working out for you?
How's it working? Wait, should we do a? I'm gonna text Apex right now and see if we can get a deal. Let me see. I'm texting them right now. I'm gonna text Apex and see. Let's do a 90% off, 80% sale for PW BDH sale today. I'm literally texting them right now. It's happening, boys. I'm texting the founders, the top dogs at Apex, saying, hey, my chat wants a sale to celebrate Fresh Cash Friday. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we can blow up this like button today, get 2,000 likes on the stream. It'll be the biggest. I think we've done 2,000 before, but we could do it again. 90% off. Come on, 90%. I had no promises. I'm trying. I'm trying. Oh, just got Lawrence.
The biggest.
Holy fuck, he's here. This guy shows up literally just whenever he wants. There's your seat, sir.
Yeah.
Get out the way, girl.
I kept it warm for you.
What's going on?
How we doing?
Are you impressed?
It's pretty sick.
People thought this was all
It's
green
pretty
screen.
sick.
They thought it was green screen.
It's real. It's not AI.
It's real.
That's for sure.
It's a little bit of AI.
A little bit.
There's your chair, sir. All right,
What
who do we got?
What a dump.
You can't see your
Holy
face, but I can
shit.
see you. That's all that matters.
Jesus. What do we have? Like every news report bad?
Michigan and a few of that.
Everything's bad.
It's all right. I'm here. The market
There's
will
that pop.
We'll
There's
get the
the
pop.
pop.
We'll get the pop now.
All right. Brett, tell us Tell us what's up. What have you been up to these days?
We got a
went from
PW
big time
special.
influencer to big time CEO just
Am I on
overnight.
Am I on here? Am I
You're
good?
on. Yeah, you're on.
We got a. I mean, first off, we got a PW special, man.
I see it up top there. They just use the code PW.
Yeah, but we got an exclusive. Only 40% with PW here, guys.
Woo!
Only.
Hey,
Everything
Fox,
else,
Fox,
30.
can you
so.
put the link in there in the chat? We got a link in the chat for you guys. What's up with Tradeify? Tell us what's the new stuff
We
going
got
on?
so we got a journal in that we just put in a couple weeks ago. That's looking like at the end of day, all your trades are imported into it, so you guys are able to go back, review your trades, tag them with anything that you had a good setup for, mistake, etc. It gives you data on how you're doing, if you're trading good during certain times, certain days, lets you know what days you're doing shit. So, at the end of the day, each day you're able to learn from, all your trading habits. Because at the end of the day, I know it's tough with these props. I was a trader too. Just like
I mean, you're still trading.
I'm still
props.
trading. I'm still trading.
This
Yeah,
guy's
it's true.
addicted. This
I'm
guy's
still
addicted.
milking props. Yeah, I got right now I got take profit one that I'm up massive on, and I'm working on a couple others. But yeah, I mean it's tough. It's when you get these accounts, it doesn't feel real a little bit sometimes here and there. So we want to put some tools in there to help you guys get on the right track and be able to really, take advantage of everything that we have to offer in order to make your trading better, right? Because at the end of the day, we want to move you guys live. And live traders, at the end of the day, we want them to make money, right? Because then everybody's winning. So, we just introduced that tool. It's a big thing. We're going to be pushing it a little bit more. I'm going to have some videos going over it. I'll show you how to do it, Pat.
Do you see a difference in people buying the evals versus straight to funded? Do you get more straight to funded, or is it kind of 50-50?
Yeah, so we're slowly seeing more people come to us for evals now, but right out the gate we were just straight to funded. That's the only product pretty much that a lot of the top guys didn't have. Another firm's like experimenting with a different one, but we're still the #1 firm for straight to sim funded products. And, now I think people are starting to come to us after they see that we pay out quick. We got the journal, etc. So some people don't want to do the high ticket price stuff. So they'll go with an eval or a challenge first with us now because they see that, we have all these other tools. We got a clean dashboard, journal, etc. So, we're pretty much in line with the evals and challenges. There's nothing different too much between us when it comes to the actual rules, I guess. So, the main differentiator, again, is just, how we handle things and probably just the straight to sim funded. But to your question, basically, most people are still buying those straight to sim funded, but the evals are starting to pick up a bit more now that everybody's seeing that, I guess we're a big name in the space.
NASDAQ, a little bit of a pushback up here, that 950 area, kind of what we were looking for. I had to just sell that bear flag with I was looking at earlier, kind of moving down there. Brett, what's your style of trading? Is it just all in all the time, or
all in all the time? One sec. Does this yeah? Can I move it?
We got technical difficulties over there. Our IT department is working on it. IT, get on it, IT.
It's all good. It's good. It's good. Yeah, it's okay. Sorry, what'd you say?
What's your breakdown on your strategy?
To be ballin', go all in. No,
I see you do options and stuff too.
Yeah. So I'm pretty aggressive with options. I mean, I'm more of a the props worked good for me too because I'm more of a rather than let's say you have I don't know 10K, 20K, whatever the number is, right? Rather than just putting that whole thing in your account, I like to play riskier with like 2K or 3K. So I'll use a fifth of the account or like a little under a third of the account. Whatever, not the account, but the money I have dedicated towards trading or towards that account, right? That way, those days that you go on tilt, I mean, it, I know it, we all know it, you'll just be averaging in or buying more and more. So it does two things, right? It prevents you from ever losing that whole amount you have allotted at once. And it lets you kind of scale up without the fear of, knowing that, if you blow up this size that you have, that your whole account isn't gone or the whole amount isn't gone. And
I definitely like that idea because that way it's like especially if you're trading a live funded account, like not live funded, but like if you put your own money into an account, I kind of like. There's no point in putting in $100,000.
No.
Like put in 25,000.
Yeah.
Blow that up and then be like, all right, put in another 25.
Or if you run it, if you run it up, it's easier to. It feels better to run up a smaller percent, right? Because you might, let's say you like 4x that, right? If you 4x that 25K. Or 3x it rather, you're up 75K, you're back to that 100, so you actually have the amount you started that you wanted to start with already in there, right? So, you use 25K, so you're up, of that 100 that you originally allotted to it, you're up 75K, right? So you have 75%, and you only use 25% of what you wanted. By the way, we're fucking pushing. I told you once I got here, dude.
Well, now the
We
chat's
just had a
pissed
nice
off
little-
because they said that your code's only 30%, not 40.
No, I just did it. No way.
No, the chat is upset, Brett. They're
Hold
already
on,
like,
hold
we're
on.
like, get them out of here, ban them.
Hold on. Is my screen's not on here, right? I can
No,
just
no, you're
okay. I can just double check.
You can log
shit.
into your personal bank account.
Yeah. I'll save the password for you.
Log into your personal bank
Hold
account
on.
live on YouTube. We want to see how much money does a prop firm CEO have.
Oh, we're on the right here.
Is there like
Wait a
is there a
second.
group chat with all the prop firm CEOs? Y'all just like talk to each other? There
It's
is.
funny you
Look
just
at him. He
mentioned
got
that. I may or may not have just had a conversation about a possible group starting that's
Ooh.
like that.
You and Mike Up Attack late at night just sitting there talking about how much money you're making together. That's fun. I thought. Wait, why'd you get banned from Top Step? You're just making so much money.
I had 2 accounts. Are you sure that's not working? Hold on. It should be working. Is it work? Where's the chat here?
Chat.
I don't have chat.
You can pull up the YouTube.
Let me just pull up the.
YouTube. No, the chat is literally they're
I
very
just
upset
did it.
people.
I just did it.
Alright, I'm done with the Discord.
Oh shit. Oh shit, boys. We got big news actually.
BDH news?
It is 40%. Someone's saying it's not. It should, well, it's not for the 150K.
Oh, it's only for the small.
Anything under that, yeah.
Well, big news. Everyone's fighting to get airtime right now on the stream. It's a battle of discounts today. So the PW code, it's always the best code everywhere you go. So if you want to shop around today, get it while you can. It's live for the next 2 hours. Brett, do you ever we were talking about you were gonna have like a Tradeify house account. When's that happening?
Let me see if it's let me see. I sent a wire in. Let me see if it hit. Might have to take a
I want Brett just to go all in on a trade here live. Worst that could happen, you just lose.
Yeah.
And then you just reach into that big bank account and put some
hit
more
yet.
money in it.
I think the Tradeivate sweeps are every hour, like 10:30 or so, or 11.
Yeah.
So I should hit. I put in 15 for a
All right.
PW
Brett's
special
in for
signal.
15 right now. All in. I'm kind of
Man,
watching
we are
this.
going.
This little bear flag kind of setting up here. You're kind of a momentum trader, right, Brett?
Yeah, for the most part. I use a lot of fibs. They line up really well.
Someone was like, man, watch out for Brett. He's gonna try to give you some fibs. I was like, what do you what?
they line up with like your pivot points. They're pretty much the same.
Yeah.
In that sense, but
Well, I mean, the fib really is like what? It's like 50, 60, like
Yeah,
that
so-
70 pocket.
Yeah,
What's
so-
what's the golden fib? What, 670
the golden,
or whatever?
yeah. So that's what I use. The GP, the golden pocket. That's like it's traditionally the 618 to the 786.
Yeah.
But I use a level the 707
Ooh.
and not 007, but 707 in there.
707. It's kind of like
And,
double.
yeah, we got Agent Wheeland in here with this suit, by the way.
How many Lambos you got, Brett?
None. No Lambos.
Come on.
I got
Scott
the
at FTT had. I don't think he had a Lambo actually.
I got the fake Urus. I got the SQ8 Audi.
Oh,
like the fake Urus, but
ooh, fakey.
yeah, a little fake.
I saw
fake
that.
Urus.
I saw Scott actually got served, like legitimately.
Oh yeah.
He's-
There's a lot going on. I
That
mean,
was you and him were really at one point just like best friends, like fighting on the internet, weren't you?
He tried to buy us out for trading. Yeah, he did.
How much did he offer?
We didn't even get to the negotiation. They hit us up, and we basically said no because I knew that
He was a
Trade Evade,
scammer?
they would know who like has what and how it went down. They'd have to get notified. Their Trade Evade's got all their I's dotted, T's crossed. They're very to the book.
So FTT they were trying to buy you to get Trade
Yeah,
Evade.
they just wanted Trade Evade. So
Yeah.
we told them. I mean, literally word for word, it was pretty much. I told them, I don't think that'll work. I said this was way before. This was at least a month and a half, 2 months before they went under. But I was like, maybe we can work on like some type of offering you have, like where we split something, if we offer it, and you promote it. I don't know. But it never got past that. Like, never even talked about that, and like never even asked money or anything like that. So
Scott told me he was going to give me $500,000 to trade for his hedge fund.
that guy was the most empty promise guy I've ever seen. I mean, even to the employees. So it's crazy.
I actually had an email the other day from one of his developers. He's like, "Yeah, I used to be a developer for FTT. I'd love to work for you." I was like, "Well,
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I don't know if I'm ready for that in my life."
Yeah, we're getting hit up now from all the past employees of like every firm. Literally, like everyone's trying
When are you gonna hire
Come on.
Sage? He's been like, I think 3 firms now. It'd be time for Tradeify. You know?
No, not with us. not directly.
You don't
At
want other
least. There wouldn't
people's
be.
dirty laundry, or I guess they're fired employees. My whole thing is like, if someone gets fired or like someone's not good at their job, like I wouldn't hire that person. Like I'd be like, wait, you worked at Tradeify? No, I'm not hiring you. Like
Yeah, I mean, the
like,
stage.
not, like I'm just saying, like why I'm not gonna hire someone that like got fired or left another company.
We just haven't put in a red candle on the 5-minute here. There's a nice reversal down there.
Now we're back above that pivot point. Now we got that next pivot point, 21,050.
Yeah, this is 21. Yep.
So if you're trading fibs, right? Let's say like we're trading fibs right now. We put a fib chart on this. Would
Yeah.
you on this setup right here? Would you start like at 930 and go all the way down to the low, pretty much?
Hold on. I think I'm in. I need to see the time frame. I'm in UTC.
Because I mean, you can be you're looking for shorts as well with these fibs. So basically, the idea of like,
Hold on. I gotta change the time zone on here. Where the hell's New York?
Went long?
There we go.
I'm out already.
oh, Emilio.
So we hit the. I mean, that was the 10 a.m. reversal. You trade that it's a little later because
Yeah. It's
10,
crazy.
10. So anyway, so we opened here. Yeah, what you were asking. So we opened at 9:30. So I'll use the open candle for the most part, right? So if I take the fib, I don't know. Can you share this screen or we don't have that? Let me change this shit real quick. Are you able to share this screen or not?
No, I'm still working. I gotta get my life figured out here. This is we're just testing.
Nah, I mean it's pretty. I gotta admit, like I didn't even know if you were gonna get it done. Yeah, I saw like 2 days ago. No, I'm giving you props. I'm giving you props for getting it done.
I've
Like
been busting my ass.
2 days ago, it looked like it was still.
It was. No, 2
it
days
was
ago,
gonna
it
take
was
at least
fucked.
till Monday,
Yeah.
and you fucking put it together. So props to everybody.
Did you see my cock on the wall?
I'm not even gonna look where it is now. So.
No, there was a cock on the
Oh
outside
yeah.
wall. The rooster.
The rooster. Yeah.
Biggest
yeah.
rooster in Pomino,
This
baby.
fucking guy. Yeah.
People are.
Yeah, you
everyone's
got
like,
it right on the
"What's
side.
BDH
It was
speed?"
sick. It pulled up. I mean, I knew right where it was. That's for sure.
That's the goal. I want everyone to know.
Yeah, right, yeah.
When they drive by, go, damn, that's Patrick's big dick house right there.
I'm trying to pull up this fib. Hold on, I gotta change all this shit.
Well, you know what's
So-
funny though? It's literally doing exactly what we said it would do in terms of like waiting for this to push back up for another short opportunity. Oh, we were like, I'm not gonna get fucking short down here at the 20,900 because it's gonna just end up ripping all the way back up into this level.
I think I'm done for the day.
What are you
Well,
at?
this is the
2,200 per account across 5.
God damn, this guy's rich. Emilio, we needed one of those bells. Ding, 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 ding. Rich, rich, rich.
Mexican wrestling, bro.
Mexican wrestling.
This is that first bear
All
flag.
right,
that
Colin,
you were
you're
calling.
in. Where'd he go?
Colin trades down.
No, Colin versus Emilio. I think Colin's Cuban, so it'll be a little different. He said he wants to do some Mexican wrestling. But you're Cuban,
Is that,
so
what
a
is
little...
that what this is for?
Patrick
You're
wants
gonna,
us
you're
to
gonna
teach
throw
him
down
how
a little
to
ring?
jump from the 3rd row.
What?
Is this where the boxing matches are gonna be? You're gonna put a
No, I'm
little
putting
ring
the
in here or
simulator
what?
right there, driving simulator. I bought this
Oh,
insane,
I
like,
s-
$50,000 fucking driving simulator. It's got
That'll be
three
sick.
55 arcs, like the curved arch monitors.
Yeah.
So that way, when you're done trading, just go over there and just drive. You know, if you had a bad day, red day, you can just go over there and cry yourself to sleep while you drive around the track fucking simulator.
You gonna have Shradify TV up here? I know you gotta replace that Top Step TV, man. I don't
Look,
know.
that's
Unless
our-
you're trying to lose over
That's
there.
our ultimate fade.
Oh,
They're up right now, though.
The Fadicator?
They're up right now.
Yeah, they're up.
They are up right now.
There. This is that bear. This is right where I heard you before, around right before 10. That first bear flag, right before news.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that was a nice rejection level. Yeah.
Just sucks when it's like
And
right
this
at
is
that
the-
news.
Yeah, yeah.
What you're thinking? That's now
So
you're
let me
looking for
see.
shorts like into that level.
That is where I would have shorted. So if you see like, it's probably a pivot for you. But that's
What?
so if you draw the
Only
fib.
$600, it doesn't count.
If you took the fib from basically the open candle, the high,
Yeah.
to the low of today, that's the 50%. So that's halfway.
Yeah, so this is like basically a bearish
Yeah,
retracement.
and it actually lines up with that 8:30 a.m. dump as well. It's a little bit below it.
Well, I think
With a post of NFP.
Yeah.
so. I mean, with the fibs, like at what point is this no longer retracement and it's a bullish move?
There's heavy buyers stepping in.
And a bullish move. I mean, that's the tough thing about the fib. Like, you can't. You don't like really flip it. You just wait for. It's a reversal indicator for me.
Yeah.
So I can get targets off of it too, but like I'd be looking heavy short around 21,100.
21,100 heavy
Yeah,
short.
21,104. That's my 707.
What do you? What's the? Oh, it's your 707. That's
Yeah.
I got a pivot right there too. That's pretty funny.
It's probably this. They're gonna always line up.
Yeah, I got
And
the
then,
VWAP right there above it as well.
So the range for that would be 104 to 120. The problem is NQ moves so much now that you really either have to size smaller and size in a little bit or average because these ranges that it could reject or bounce are like 20, 30 points. So if you're doing
Heavy size.
some BD 10 cons, 15 cons, you can't even hold that long, right? So it's tough. But the market moves good. You guys, you can get away with just 2-3 cons these days. You know what I mean? If you
Sir,
hold them
I
longer.
only go in all in.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
straight, that's
But-
the problem with the straight to fund it is like you just get in that thing and you're just like, let's go.
Well,
You know, like
that's
'cause with
also
the eval,
like.
you kind of like you have to like patiently go through the eval, then you like
Well, I
get
think it's the
into-
opposite. The eval, you don't. There's no patience, right? It's eval.
Well, see, I do the opposite. I go like all in on the eval, and then when I'm in the funded, then I like play
Take
it safe.
Yeah, yeah. So
But with Tradeify, I just straight to fund. I'm like all in, baby.
I see what you're saying because you're like, oh, that's the first. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Yeah, it's like your
So-
first. You know, like
Yeah, yeah, it makes sense. I mean, also though, you have to. We are seeing a lot more people take it serious because like they know it's funded. You're paying. There's two things, right? Number one, it's a funded account. You know that it's not an eval, and number two, you're paying a higher price. So for the most part, most people take it much more seriously because these
Yeah, yeah.
evals, whatever you're buying, $20 evals, $80 evals, etc. Right? It's not exactly the best.
still
The
cheaper
best
than
way
putting
to
it's still
get
cheaper
in.
than putting $25,000 into an account.
100%.
I tell people all the time, like when they're like they want to get into trade, I'm like, dude, just get one,
Yeah.
get one prop firm account, blow it up a couple times, and you'll learn.
Yeah,
That's
it's
just-
the best way to get. Prop firms are the best way to just get accustomed to trading in general without risking a bunch of your
when
capital.
you first started trading, where were you trading at? You trading options and stuff, or what were you
I
doing?
was so when I first started, I got into it in crypto when the
okay.
first crypto boom started. I bought. Hey, Rod Cap, how you been, man? Shout out you. I haven't talked to you in a while.
We got TBM in here too. Trades by Matt popped in, said that.
TBM, you in here?
Yeah, Trades by Matt said good game, Brett.
GG for being you. Hey, appreciate that, Matt. And yeah, the office is nice. He's got a nice setup here. Anyway, I got into the crypto hype. I bought a mentorship thing. I bought like one. It was like $1,000 for the
Ooh.
year. Yeah, I got
A
sucked
crypto
in.
mentorship.
Yeah, I got a snake.
How'd that go?
I got snake oiled. I learned that the market was only going up, so every chart he posted was right. That was crypto back then. You could buy any coin.
2017, right?
Yeah,
Kind of that
17,
time, yeah.
whenever it was, 17 or end of 16, whatever it was, that first pop. So he could post any chart and it would work. And I thought he was God. Everyone thought he was God.
Damn.
If you're just getting in trading and the person you paid to learn from to start is like hitting everything, you're like praising him, right? I did that, and then eventually when the market first pulled back, we realized that he was just shit. He just didn't know anything he was doing. He was losing left and right. But the one thing that he did was introduce me to the charts. So I was able to actually learn what the charts are and then create strategies and, learn from them. I lost money for like a year and a half, 2 years pretty much. But the real trader cycle without prop firms, if you're just putting your own money in and trying to learn that way without rules or anything, right? Is creating that rule set for yourself, and then you know, basically going from losing a little bit to losing a lot rather to losing a little bit to breaking even to making money. Then usually you get a big head because it's the first time you made money. You go back, you know, 2 steps, and then you just steadily go up 2 steps, you know, back 1 or something like that. But you know, it took oh shit, I'm leaning back.
We want to hear your beautiful
Took a while to get profitable. You know, about 2 years.
3 centimeters. Yeah, it's 30 centimeters is what they said on the chat. I don't know what the fuck a centimeter is. Do you know what a centimeter is?
Never heard of it.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so you did the crypto stuff. I remember.
But anyway, but I met two of my partners that are in on Tradeify with me. So anyway, in the crypto thing, I started the options group. So once crypto started dying, I was like, how are we gonna all make money now? Like, crypto's not going up, and we didn't know leverage and all that, but we wanted those big gains. So I was like, I got into options. The guy gave me an options channel in the Slack that he had, and I was like the options admin in there. He was charging, you know, $1,000 a person, getting multiple people a week. I was like, hey man, can you throw me a bone, pay me like 2-3K a month? You know, it's 2-3 people. I'm giving you all options now. You got a whole nother, you know, market to sell to. And he just basically told me to kick rocks. So then, you know, I just made my own, and that's when I started Simba Stocks. And then, you know, from there, whatever, I did that a few years. And then a couple of my partners from Simba Stocks, we made Tradeify, and here we are today. We actually started the process of creating Tradeify in 2021, and that's when my options group really took off. So I put Tradeify on the back burner a bit. I wish I didn't, but yeah, we would probably have been up there like right when that was really up and coming of Apex days. So I'd assume we'd be, you know, up and going there right when everybody was pivoting, you know, away from Top Step until they went back to like the, you know, 1-step thing. But
the funny, we had a question about someone, I think Alpine wanted to know, how do you make your hair look so good?
Oh,
we have polar
born
opposite
that way,
hairdos right now, my friend.
yeah, you're going fresh.
I had your hairdo and then I cut it, and
Yeah,
now
you
I
cut
got
it
another
off.
hairdo. Someone in
You
the
did it
chat said,
before, right? You did that a couple months ago or something?
Yeah,
I think?
someone said I need to fix my hair, and I said, well, it's the only way to fix it is it's got to grow back out. There's no other option here.
We're coming up to that short level.
I know. What do you think? We go?
I mean, I love it.
If we get rejected at VWAP, I like that rejection at the VWAP.
What level is your VWAP at?
Right now, the VWAP's like right above 21,100.
Okay.
You know, you
And
and
that's like a perfect
I
little.
like that area, yeah.
you and someone else, I forget who it is. I see posted all the time. They use VWAP. I used to use VWAP religiously.
VWAP religiously, like you woke up in the morning, you prayed to it.
Yeah, I was praying to it, man, waiting for it to hit so I could short
Please,
it long.
VWAP, go!
And then I don't know. I just got away. Right now, pretty much, I literally only do candles. You know, I'll see the volume on the candles and then fib. That's it. You know, I like to stick with the candles more, but you know, riding EMAs or VWAP is definitely still very good. So
Emilio, he's on
you
that
hit good.
bookmap game.
I haven't got to that. I mean, I've looked into it, but I mean,
It's a lot of
I don't know. I'll look at level 2 here and there, so I know it's somewhat.
like
I think it ends up being like too much information sometimes.
It's
That's
like
what
it's like a
I've
recorded
found.
level 2,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So you can basically
Where's all
see.
the liquidity right now?
Yeah.
Above 100. That's what I'm saying.
Right
If
at that
we-
120 level.
If we get to the 120 level, then those are the.
Well, yeah, I mean, shorts, they want to short high and buyers want to buy low.
You
So,
got
like,
300 passive sellers above you just waiting to get filled in.
yeah. So, we run above that 120 area, and then it's like the perfect spot to bring it right back down.
I just made $600 trading for cops.
Oh, $600 over here, this guy. Just nonstop making money.
Do we do a couple bones for the chat or what? You want to throw them a couple of
What you want?
some accounts or
Throw
something?
some counts? Hey, this
What do
is
we
the best
think,
part
chat?
about getting
Chat,
CEOs
chat, you want
of
some?
companies into your thing. You just get them. They have to get them on the spot. All right,
What-
chat. You let us know. What do you guys want? What should Brett do here? The more that you guys scream, the more he's got to give.
What time frame do I anchor the fib? So fibs, they can be used on any time frame. I mostly use the 15-minute though. I find that the 15 minutes
Hey, babe.
nice
You got me a water?
mid time frame for the day.
I think there's a
I
shortcoming.
think they want something.
You
here.
know?
There's got to be. I mean, we're coming up. There's a bunch of wicks.
not this
If
one.
you pull up like
This
the 5
now.
the 5 minute, I don't know. This one's live, right? You don't have your charts up. The if you go to the 5 on your charts to show everyone, like right around that 90, it's basically 90 to 100.
Yeah, no, that's right. Kind of like this 80 area. You know, actually, talking of trades by Matt. He actually loves that like the 80 and 20 levels.
Oh, like literal price wise.
Well, yeah, like he'll be like, oh, this is like, I want to short into this 80 level because this is probably like where we get resistance. And it does kind of work out sometimes like that.
I mean, for me, it's always the whole numbers. Like you see, we bet
whole numbers all day.
It's not even that it hits there. You want a candle close. So if you look at the 5 minute, oh yeah. How's this liquid death? I've never had this.
It kills your thirst. Liquid
All right,
death.
that's right. Thank you. Appreciate it. Anyway, the candle closes right at that level. So like you look at that 5 minute where we bottomed today, 10-10. We dipped below there, but then they swept it back up. So they always like to run those stops below those like key levels, you know, those hundreds or those every 50 points, something like that. I don't even know what ES. You know, it's funny. Some people trade ES all the time. You only do NQ pretty much, right?
Yeah, I only trade NQ, but I do keep an eye on the ES. Right now, the ES is kind of the same exact setup.
You ever trade oil?
A lot of times, the ES and the NASDAQ almost trade, you know, tick for tick. It's, you know, if you find those areas where the ES and the NASDAQ start doing different things, that's normally when you can find like some of the best setups because.
Yeah.
I love when the ES like breaks the low before the NASDAQ does because then you're like, oh, it's game on.
Yeah.
Or if the ES breaks the high before the NASDAQ does, you know, that's kind of a go-to setup. If I'm watching the ES and it's starting to break through the high of the day or whatever, I'm like, oh. As long as it doesn't get rejected, NASDAQ's got to follow.
You should check out oil too. Oil, you ever trade oil? Any oil traders in the chat?
I've never traded oil.
Oil
How many
traders,
people in the
anyone?
chat trade oil?
Any oil traders in the chat? I wonder, what does everyone trade? Any soybeans? Any lean hogs?
No.
You ever
Wait, how many people? Do you have people actually trade the hogs?
You know what? No, I've never seen that. You know what people are trading a bit now? They trade Bitcoin. You know you can do it, right?
Yeah, well, because it's a lot more volatile now.
Yeah.
And
when it's
scale flat, it's the worst thing to trade.
Yeah. So this is actually right now. I don't even have it up here. I think we hit the 618, which is the normal fib level that I was saying before. Let's see. What is this? Why is it doing that? Hold on. 0.
All right,
yeah, we hit the dead on. The 618 was 21,075, and that's exactly where we rejected. So basically, here you got a couple things. Like I would be looking at, you're either gonna put in a bull flag here on the 5 down to that 21,040, and if it doesn't hold there and bounce, then you're probably gonna look at a good short. But this could also be for me, this is a good long with a stop below like that 38.40 level. I mean, not now. It's just popped to like 65. But if you get in around, you know, in the 40s or, you know, 50 or so, and you put a stop below 40, you know, that 10-point stop, look for a move back up to 80 plus. And there we go, starting to pop a bit.
All right, I'm long, Brett. Brett told me to get long. Financial advice.
Oh, no. Not financial advice.
Not financial advice.
Let's see if my wire hit.
Just push up through here.
It looks all right. Like, it's definitely a level that has to consolidate and break. I still didn't get that wire. Fucking trade of it.
I kind of like...
I'm tailing you on that long.
All right, Emilio's trailing me.
Chat, who's long? All right, let's do a
We're gonna
giveaway.
blow everybody up at the same time here in the BDH.
Let me pull up...
I'm long from 65. Where are you long?
Let me get a...
58, 65 longs here. Emilio.
Let me get a giveaway going
Brett
here.
giving away the financial advice here in the chat.
Listen, I'm just trying to get some people paid, man.
Oh, come on. We need this push up here through the 80s.
It's looking good.
Taking my first profit at 85.
Okay. Taking it at 87.
87?
Yep.
All right. Well, I'm going to take 85. That way I get filled and you won't.
Watch me get 2 points.
Nah. 2 more points for this guy.
It's gonna be just like NFT here.
Oh, God. Oh, God. VWAP right now. VWAP up there at the 23s. It wants it.
I got a couple
filled here.
I got a couple coupon codes coming in.
Coupon codes in the chat.
Go
Get
ahead.
ready, chat.
Go ahead. Do it.
Oh, my God. Brett
Yeah.
gave me some financial advice. The man, the myth, the legend, people. Who does it like this? Who does it like
Guys,
this?
if you're on the fund, it's consistency, all right?
Oh,
Take
fuck.
profit. Don't go for the
Brett,
big dick
I'm up
days.
3,000 on the day on that account. Is that good or bad?
3,000. That's pretty good. that's pretty good.
So what do I have to do now?
So
you're
at 20%, you're on the what,
right?
the 150s?
Yep.
So 150s. So I mean, personally, I like to go. My goal if I'm trading a 20% consistency is a little bit higher. So I'd go 25, 30% or something of whatever the profit goal is. So like a sweet spot for me is probably like anywhere from 2,700 to 3K profit a day.
Yeah, and that was only 5 contracts.
Yeah.
Like we were talking about earlier. Like you really.
Well, that's
don't
what I'm saying. Like
Yeah.
you don't have to do these. Like, it's great. You see everything when you're an owner. You have access. Like, it's amazing how many people just go right in 15. Sometimes, like, I mean, there's some people who go 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, right, or 5, 5, 5. But like, they do it. It's within such a small period of time. I'm like, you got to give these candles time. Like, the market moves crazy now. Like, it's I remember when I was trading Top Step, NQ was like 10K.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So like a 1% move on 10K is only 100 points. Now we're at 21K. A 1% move is 210 points.
When I first started trading futures, I messed around with futures like back in like 2018, and it was funny because like NQ candles, like you'd get like a 10 points. 10 points on a 1 minute candle was like a big move.
I was only even trading ES then.
Yeah, well the ES
and
was, like,
ES
you
was
get
even
a 1
worse.
point move. Yeah.
So it was actually nice though then ES because you could go in with a decent amount of contracts and it didn't move a lot. So you get like 3-4 points. You were happy.
The chat, I don't know what you said, but they're hyped. They're typing stuff in the chat about some discount or saying or something. You say something?
I didn't say anything, but
who's saying?
I'm gonna have the code. I don't know. I love Dragon Ball shit, so they're probably saying. Anyway, we're hitting that. This is where I'd be out right here.
Well,
this is my short level.
I mean, hey, I don't want to say that I told you so, but look at that VWAP, just fucking denied right into that 120 level. The high of that candle, what 23.50.
And if you go on the
25 is also looking very
which one's shit, man. What do you got? 8 fucking charts over here?
I'm actually missing a monitor.
Oh my god.
I'm running low right now.
Which one's the one you're showing right
This
now?
one right here.
Yeah,
We're
so
right
if
at that
you go to,
VWAP.
what are you on? The 5th? Go to the 5.
Yeah.
And you see that right there to the left. If you zoom out, yeah, right there. All those wicks to the left.
That
right
area, yeah.
to the left. One more.
This one? Where?
Left. Right there, yeah. So that's exactly where we're rejecting. This lines up right with your VWAP.
Yeah.
Exactly. So
Right into
a
here.
lot of the times you'll see, like, when you're using these indicators, that they line up with the candlesticks perfectly.
Well, what's funny is we just talked about too. You just said like this was either going to turn into a little bull flag to push up higher, or kind of run into resistance right here.
Yeah.
And that's for me personally, this is why I love trading momentum, because I don't need to predict what's going to happen. I just have to wait for a bull flag or bear flag and then be like, oh, look at this right now. Just getting fucking hammered at that 120 level.
That was it. I mean, look at this right here. That's a 70. You see the candle close right at that 707?
That's
we
a
went
5
up
minute
right
chart
to your
you're looking at?
VWAP, right to that. I said between 100 and 120. You said VWAP was right up there. So
Well, I was thinking too. This is a perfect setup too, because this is, if you look, there's got this wick. There's that candle, the 945 5-minute candle. You got that wick right there.
945.
We pushed up like right to the close or to the open of that
Yes,
candle, that
yes,
body, and just got
yes.
denied.
yes.
And that was like, but it's also, hey, shout out to TBM, the 20, right? We said like literally that 120 area. Because it's the best place to trap as well.
Wow, what a fucking dump.
Fucking, we saw that would have been the short right there.
Yeah.
That's
So
the funniest
here's
part
where
about trading.
what'd you say?
That's the funniest part about trading.
Yeah.
It's like people are always like, man, like when people go online and they just like call out stuff and like, oh, he's so good. I'm like, I mean, it's not hard to call out where the market's gonna go.
Yeah.
It's hard to fucking get into a trade, hold through the drawdown,
execution is the
not
hard
get
part.
stopped out, and make the money on the trade. That's where it gets hard.
Wow, 2 bangers right there though. There we go.
120 just denied.
See, like this is where like if you miss those 2, it's almost like what do you do now, right? Like it's tough, or you miss the bottom, or you miss the initial short, you miss that first bear flag 950, you miss the bottom, or you miss the bull flag, or you miss the rejection we just took right now. This is where it gets iffy if you look here, because like now you don't even know where you'd want to find a bounce, right? Like for me, I'd almost want it to go back to 950.
Yeah, no, I think we got to
And
go
then-
down here.
you know, I don't play too much momentum like this.
Look at
like,
that 5-minute candle.
Yeah,
Fucking
like-
just engulfed that whole breakout.
yeah. So like here, a lot of people might look for like a short right here. I'd personally, you know, I don't know. I don't like to, unless I get that exact 707 or like that VWAP that you had and I'm holding there.
Yeah.
I don't like to chase here. So
No,
like,
yeah, you definitely don't want to chase here, but I think now you just wait for kind of a.
Yeah.
You look at the smaller time frames. You wait for the next little bear
Yeah.
flag setup.
and that definitely would have worked. Like it definitely worked. Like, you know, that 5 minute, you just said it as it was engulfing, and then it just, as soon as it lost that level, it just dumped right now. Another
I mean,
20
right
points.
into that fucking VWAP, just denied.
Yeah. So
Consolidate a bit and then ride the rest out.
Yeah, no, well, now you just want to basically see a pushback up, get denied, and then it's like, that's your short.
Consolidate. Get
Because right now, if you get short, you know what's going to happen. It's going to push back up to that 21,050 area or whatever.
This is where the tilt always happens. Guys get in, they're right on the
Oh.
short, dude. They'll start DCAing in to the point where they're max contracts. Next thing they know, they're out on the chop. It goes down, trading day out the window.
Well, what was funny too is that little like bull flag breakout that we just jumped into long.
Yeah.
Like a lot of people would have shorted in that area, and that's why that move happened.
yeah.
Right? People try to short this like lower high kind of setup here at the 80s, and then it pushes up there to the 120, stops out those bears.
Well, if you don't reject, you know, that first move and you consolidate right under a key level, you know, after a 10 a.m. reversal, you know that shit can just keep going. So that's what you had. You know, it consolidate. What was it? How many candles did we get right there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles.
Yeah. If you look really look at the 1 minute at 10:29. That's like the most ideal shit you want to see.
1029.
10:29, 1 minute.
Yeah.
You see that consolidate? It's like a perfect flag
Yeah,
right
yeah.
there, and then you. That's where actually what I do is I set a buy stop. So I don't know if you ever do. You do like buy stops at all, or you just
No.
mostly market buy?
I
Yeah,
go
so
full
like
in all the time, baby.
so like I would set an order there. I'd put it above those highs, and then you know, it's like a stop loss, right? But it's a buy stop, so it's my entry into it. So
See,
as soon
now
as
we're
it
getting
breaks there,
that little push, that little push back up to that 21 would have been. Now I kind of want to watch and see what happens here if we can build a little bear flag on the 1 minute chart below this pivot point. We got a pivot point right there, 20,040s.
I got some. I got the codes here.
You got
so-
codes?
Yeah, I
Codes.
mean,
Chat. We need more likes. We got to get
whatever
at
you want to
least
do, man.
1,800 likes here for more free codes. Codes.
Let me
codes.
see.
Codes.
Let me make sure these ones are working.
Oh shit.
Should be all good.
Look at that. We're
Copy.
denying right there. It's hitting.
Yeah, all right. They're all good to go. How you want to do it? How do you do your code? I don't even know.
I don't really, I don't really do the
know if I've
codes.
seen you do
I just like
giveaways.
giving them. I just like post them in the chat and tell everyone just to go crazy.
Oh, you should do you should do like some like duck race and all that.
What's the?
shit.
I never do the duck race thing.
Those are sick. Well, if you want to just do an easy one, you can go to pull up on another
Fuck.
screen. Just go to bot tricks.
bot tricks.
Yeah, BOTRIX. This is the easiest one.
What? BOT?
RIX.com. And then, wait, what? Or maybe it's not .com. Just type in, I don't know what it is. Just bot tricks on Google. See what comes up. Yeah,
This
that.
one. Dot live.
This is like the best. Just log in with, yeah. And then,
Brett's gonna get my YouTube hacked.
yeah, no, I knew you were going to say.
He's like, just log in, give me your social security number, no problem. You'll be good.
And then,
Wait.
you log in? Yeah, this one's great. You can use this anytime, bro.
No, it won't work though.
Oh, there you go.
All right.
All right, cool. And then you can go to,
Chatbot.
I think it's widgets on the left, on the top left. Down, raffles.
Ooh, we're getting some raffles, boys.
So
Get
now-
ready.
So now you.
All right.
So now basically you put in whatever you want the word to be,
Oh.
and then they type the word.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
like just whatever, just put PW.
Yeah. There we go. All right.
BDH, yeah. And then I put subtimes too. I always do that. And then now whenever anyone types that in, they're gonna come up on this.
All right, get ready, chat. We're gonna get wild.
You can
What's the code?
You can. Yeah, BDH. Oh, so whoever wins this.
No, I know. But okay.
Oh,
So
yeah.
now
Right,
what? Oh, it's going.
no,
all right.
wait.
So all you have to do is type BDH in the chat, and you'll get entered in the code. I think this fucking A. Look at this short right now.
Yeah, that's sexy.
Oh God.
So now you're at that whole number. You're at that 21K. You know, it's like what's going to happen here? This is that initial bull flag, the one we were talking about, right at the bottom of it before.
Yeah. Now see, fuck.
BDH in the chat. Any size account, any type of account. I know you guys are all going to go for the 150. Any account, 100% off. Any account. And we got a couple of these, so if you don't win the first one.
All right, we got 50 people. So what are y'all doing in the chat right now? Is there more than 50 people?
It's a little laggy.
It's a little laggy. All right, we're getting it. Give it a
probably
second
got a
here.
lot.
We'll do the giveaway.
Yeah, BDH in the chat. BDH
Fucking
in the
A.
chat.
Look at this short right now, boys. God.
You shorting?
No, I did not short, but this was
Oh, I'm logged.
just such a good fucking setup.
I'm
there.
logged in as you. I just went to go type something. I was like, oh, shit,
yeah,
it's you.
that's fine.
That's all right.
Type it in there. Brett's me now.
Yeah. You could Oh, they're putting the exclamation. Did you put an exclamation?
No
there?
explanation.
No exclamation, guys. It's not whatever bot he uses. That's why everyone's putting. Guys, it's just BDH. No exclamation. I was wondering why it's not.
I'm like, it's only 57.
Yeah, 57.
I'm like, damn, no one's watching anymore.
Guys, just BDH. No
yeah,
exclamation.
no exclamation.
I know the YouTube bots, they use the exclamation, but not this one.
All right. So now look at this. We just tapped that pivot point at the 84s. TBM with the 80s again. See, it's just hard.
So that's the thing, right? You get that touch, but then look at where the candle closes above that whole number, right? So,
yeah. That's why those 80 levels. That's why if I'm ever shorting through a whole number, I'm always looking to take profit around that 90, 80 area. Because it's almost like guaranteed you're going to get that break through that whole number just to like run stops there. Because you know, idiots, everyone puts their fucking stops like right at 21,000.
Everybody's still putting these fucking exclamations.
They're all going to lose then. Might have to do it again. Oh, God.
No, now you're hold on.
Oh, God.
I
don't know what I'm doing.
I'm teaching the old
All right, now it's
YouTube
BDH.
guys new
Just
tricks.
go, BDH. Here we go, baby. It's ripping.
BDH,
It's
just
roaring.
type BDH. We're picking it, and we'll do the first one in 2 minutes. All right, BDH.
2 minutes.
That's
Steam
it.
trades, Young Capital. Giving away some accounts, baby.
What do you got on in here? What's this one on the top right? What, Bloomberg? Yeah. You got it
We got
all
the
in here.
Bloomberg. We got the National Guard arrives at LA. That shit's wild. That fire in LA.
That's crazy.
Absolutely insane. Fucking A.
You know, a lot of times the media, they like blow a lot of that stuff out of proportion. This one's like, this one's serious.
I think they're under proportion.
There we go. We're dumping. So the level that I'd be, what did we say before? It was
120.
950? 950, yeah. That's where I'd look for a potential bounce right there, 950.
Ugh.
$950 is the 707 also. So then if you take the, I can't show this one. Keep forgetting. Yeah, I know what I can do. All right, 30 seconds. We'll pick one.
What? It's press accept when we're ready.
Yeah, when. You can show it too. I don't know if you can pull up that screen on your OBS.
Yeah, I can, but.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Keep putting it in there. BDH in the chat. No exclamation marks. Just BDH, baby. Doing a Tradeify account giveaway here. Remember, PW gets you the best deal always at all the prop firms.
PW special right now. Nobody else actually
Hey,
with the 40.
you know, I feel like I'm always special, Brett.
Yeah. There you go.
I think this is the first time we've met, right?
Yeah.
I feel like we've met before, but I don't think we have. First time. You're a little taller than I thought you'd be. All right. I just press accept?
Yep. And it'll run through them.
All right.
Yeah, you can just do it.
It's running through them.
Good luck.
Good luck.
So we're at that 940, 950. I want to see a hammer here on the couple 1 minute candles or a nice wick on the 5. But there we go. A nice 10-point bounce, 12, 15-point bounce.
The winner,
20-point
Sergio
bounce.
Lee.
Sergio Lee. Type something in the
Lee.
chat to claim your prize, or it will be given to someone else.
Sergio Lee, you got to type in the chat, my little friend. You got 40 seconds, Sergio. 40 seconds.
This part's for some reason always delayed. This thing, they always get it in there at like the last 5 seconds. But yeah, you should. This one's great. You just type something in the chat, pick some. It's nice and easy. Perfect bounce. 950.
Wait, and what were you looking for there?
948 was my level.
Well, why was that your level?
That's the Jeeps. You'll see this. So now I already used the opening to the low, right?
Yeah.
So now I'm using the new swing high. So this, I'm not using this anymore.
Okay, yeah.
So I use the low to the high, golden pocket.
So now you'd be looking for a bullish trade?
That was my trade.
Yeah, but I'm saying.
Yeah.
So now that you've changed the low to the high, now you're like looking for a pullback for a bullish opportunity.
Exactly. So the fibs for me is, unless I could go into something advanced, but that's too complicated.
Don't go advanced on
Yeah,
us.
no. But the fib is always a reversal trade.
My chat is not advanced. We eat crayons. Sergio Lee is the winner. Congratulations to Sergio Lee.
Yeah, so the only
How
thing.
does he win?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I don't know how you get him the code.
Yeah, Sergio, take a screenshot of your thingy-majiggy. Right, take a thingy-majiggy. We got more giveaway. How many are we doing?
I got 5, man.
We got 5. Holy shit.
Maybe I should make it 3. I
We
don't know.
need more likes. The chat is not turning up right now.
Chat's sleeping. We need some more likes in
The
here.
chat need to go. All right, NASDAQ.
So at this point, though, you've already had that big bounce. This is the second one. I'm not as hopeful on any move after.
I think we're gonna make new lows here at some point. Just trying to figure out the best entry here. That low so far, low of the day, 875. Low of the day. If you want to win, type in BDH in the chat, and you'll get entered into the thing. We'll do another giveaway here in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. God damn it. See, this is the problem with being a trader. Is this setup played out so perfectly, did exactly what we thought it would do, or we kind of had it planned out, and then it's like you're sitting here now and you're like, fuck.
Well, yeah. I mean, that's a tough thing, right? Like, I mean, you got a big day here, so of course you're staying live longer, but these are like the times,
11 o'clock. When do you normally trade?
You call it,
Are you done by 11 normally?
Yeah. I'll come back maybe
You
1.
trade power hour?
Yeah, power hour is nice.
I know what you
1:30.
do.
1:30 is nice.
No, I know what you do. You be doing those 0 day expirations in the last 15 minutes, aren't you? You like the ones that are trading for a penny.
The lunch, the 1 p.m. 0 dates are great, especially with the moves you've been getting lately in the queues.
I had a buddy of mine. He ran up his Robinhood account up to like 300, 400,000 on 0 days,
and then lost
all of it in one day.
Yeah,
Classic.
Trust me, I've been there.
Yeah, I think he bought like 700 contracts. Yeah, like kept adding. I'm like, bro.
I mean, I used to do some crazy shit. Like I'd be 1,200 out of the money contracts. Like,
oof.
You never traded. You never do options, huh?
No.
Don't.
Well, I have done like some like swing trades on like SPY options.
But you didn't take it. You don't like actively
I'm trying to
do
stay
it.
away from the.
Yeah, don't.
I already have enough to generate ability with the prop firms,
The worst thing with options is you're fighting. Already trading's hard enough, right? So options you're fighting against time, right? So that's why you're able to. Options are the best way, or let's say the fastest way to make money, but they're also probably the hardest.
Fastest way to make money. No, yeah.
Sergio, you just have to screenshot it, and I don't know. What do you?
Sergio, send send an email to info@onlypropfirms.com. We'll get you your info, and we'll get you an account. All right, we got the next giveaway here. Let's go.
You talking about the guy with doing the hands, the sign language? Yeah. I was peeping that while I was watching this. I'm like, what is he? Look at this. He is into it.
Stuff going on in the chat right now.
He's doing the faces.
Oh.
He's like,
babe, don't forget there's cameras everywhere.
Yeah, but nobody can see me.
I do not need that in my life right now. All right.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah, you just gotta watch it. All right, here we go. Next giveaway. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. The
Liquid
chat.
Death's not bad. Actually.
Chat is undefeated. We need 2,000 likes here, people. Come on. Where we at? BDH.
What is
Come
this?
over
Your
here,
book?
cameraman.
Is this a souvenir for me?
Yeah, you gotta have that.
Oh,
You
great.
gotta read it when you're sleeping at night.
Amazing.
You gotta only read it when you're sleeping, though. All right. So currently, Warrior is the winner. Holy fuck, Warrior! Is that Warrior trading Ross Cameron?
That's what I was about to say.
Were you ever in the Ross Cameron chat?
Nah, I never did that.
You never did?
So yeah, so I think the
Never?
No.
I thought everybody got touched by Warrior.
I
at
think
one point.
the trader path used to be everyone did stocks and everyone did penny stocks. You had
Oh.
you had Ross.
Did you ever trade with Sure Trader?
No. What's that? Is that a penny stock? That's your OG thing?
You're not an original degenerate.
I didn't do penny stocks.
No, so Sure Trader was basically this offshore brokerage that just put you on a sim account trading equities. But the crazy part was you could get borrows on anything because it was sim.
Right.
But they pretended that they weren't sim.
Yeah, they sold it at Five
That's
Capital.
crazy. That's
Yeah.
fucked, actually.
You know DAS Trader, the platform?
Think so.
So Guy Gentile basically was the OG. He started Speed Trader.
Okay.
He started Speed Trader, launched DOS Trader. You can see videos of him like back in the 90s. He was one of the first people like trading online, like retail. And he started Sure Trader offshore. And it was crazy because you could literally put like $5,000 cash into an account and they give you like insane leverage.
It's like forex.
And then, yes, but you were trading equities, like
that's
small
what-
caps.
Well, that's what a lot of
Forex leverage.
that's what a lot of these forex guys do. I mean,
All right, the winner looks like Sergio won twice. Fucking Sergio, you little. How do you get it twice?
the nice thing about the
All right, we'll have another giveaway here once we get 2,000 likes, people. We gotta go. We gotta
Yeah.
go. Brett said he ain't doing no more unless we get over 2,000.
The nice thing about the future space is, most of these brokers are, well, all of them pretty much are regulated. So like with Forex, a lot of people are, you're literally just depositing into that owner's bank account. Yeah. And then,
This guy right here, Forex King over here.
but some of them, you got to go with the legit guys like FTMO, those big guys if you're doing Forex and all stuff like that. But
And most of them are just.
Brett, we want to know what's the regulation coming? It can't be bad.
regulation.
because-
Yeah, so now there's nothing. Nobody. Listen, I've talked with a bunch of people. There's nothing to be worried about. Regulation is just mostly right now, as far as we know, they just want to see more live traders. That's the main focus.
The rumor on the street right now is that the regulation or the new rule coming is that you're not allowed to have trailing drawdown.
That would be beautiful.
That's what I've heard.
I haven't heard that.
All right, well, I'm just that's what I've heard.
Where that happens right now, there might be a new thing, but anyway.
Well, I mean, take Profit Trader because I might not be able to talk about this, but I like to break the news sometimes. I've heard that Take Profit Trader has some rule changes coming.
I didn't know that.
And they have trailing drawdown in their funded accounts
Interesting.
when you go into the pro account. So maybe
I might not have just heard because we're not, I mean, I have the advanced account, which is, it's Apex accounts, same thing, trailing basically.
Yeah.
But, we don't, I mean, that's not like our biggest seller. I don't know anything.
I like
from
when
there.
he can't say. I can't say.
I don't know.
I cannot comment right.
I'll tell you what. There's big news coming. Not big news, but there's something coming next week.
Oh God, this guy
for everybody.
For everybody.
Yeah, everybody.
Like every prop firm.
Yeah, every prop firm, pretty much.
Okay.
It's a broker news. I'll leave it at
I
that.
know what that news is.
Oh, so then
Are you ready for it? Just wink if I'm right.
We're ready for it. What do you think it's good for the
CME.
trader?
CME. CME's launching their own platform.
No, not that. That's not
Fuck.
it. You're checking.
Well,
you're taking shots right now, aren't you?
CME is turning into an FCM. They're gonna do direct now.
Well, then that's interesting.
You didn't know that?
No.
You knew that. Don't act like you did.
No,
Look at
never
me
knew it.
smiling.
Never
No,
knew it.
so they filed to be their own clearing firm, basically. So the CME, you can trade direct through the CME. They got pissed off. Everyone's making all this money, as brokers, and they're like, we'll be our own broker. Because I think, I always tell people are like, oh, the CME is going to ban prop firms. But like, what they don't understand is CME is a publicly traded company. They're not regulators. right? Like
Right.
the CME themselves are not a publicly traded, like they're publicly traded, so they want to make profit. So it's FINRA. I think FINRA is the most upset because FINRA is just not getting their fees off of every simulated account for the trades. You know, FINRA, what does FINRA make, like a 3
They get a
pennies or whatever
couple-
per trade?
Yeah. So the market data is fine. Everyone's getting they're getting paid for that. But
Yeah, CME's
but
making
those-
millions off the market data.
Yeah.
Is it kind of the same as TradingView? Because you know, when you buy TradingView data, it's the same exact thing, right? Basically,
Yeah. So
for
they
CME?
pay as far as I know. I don't actually know this, to be honest. You know, you pay whatever it is, $35, $40 for the live data. They have to pay it to you know, CME, and they probably keep, I don't know, $5 on it, $10, something
but
like
I mean,
that.
that's the same. Every prop firm's the same.
Yeah.
I mean, so. I
Well,
guess,
well, no, like TradingView, like they're offering it, right? For like,
Yeah.
you can buy it directly. So like, it's the same thing. For us at prop firms, we pay for your market data. You know, a lot of people, I don't know if anybody really publicly talks about this. There's no reason not to, but you know, we have a fixed cost per user.
Is it per user or is it per account? Like if I
both.
buy
It's
100
both.
accounts,
There's a fixed cost per user, and then there's a fixed cost per account.
Okay.
At most brokers rather.
Yeah.
And it varies. You know, if you're going with the Tradeovate, if you're going with the Rhythmic, if you're going with the you know, Project X new thing, you know. So, but yeah, that's going to be shaken up next week. You'll see.
I saw I did a poll recently asking people what their favorite platform was, and amazingly, Tradeovate came out as #1.
I mean, we knew that.
Well, I know, but it's just funny because like everybody always complains about Tradeovate, and then now
Well,
it's
they
like,
have the most, you know, they're going to get the most haters, right? The biggest, always,
Yeah.
you know that. The biggest
Yeah, hey.
gets the most.
I know about that. All right, so I mean this.
All right, let's clear the chat from these giveaways. Let's get them all done so we can.
Yeah, here we go.
Let's
We're
do some
This is the
questions
next
in
one.
here, chat.
Next one. And we'll save one. We got 800 people to pick from now. Now it's working. Look at this thing. It's going crazy. If you see your name in the chat, if you see your name on the screen, let us know.
They're fighting this 940 level. They're holding it roughly, barely.
It's gonna go.
This is also one of those things where I switch over to the 1 minute and I look for like a rounding bottom type
For
thing.
a long.
Yeah,
Okay. Because you
But-
like what? You like that
but you know,
5-minute candle there, that little.
this one was nice.
doji.
Yeah, but this is a little, you know,
Now we just took that.
it was a fake out.
Theta Burns, the next winner. Congratulations. It's well, the problem here for me at least is like this is just it's impossible to short right here.
That giveaway thing is like a slot machine. I just watched that live. That shit
going
goes-
off.
that shit goes
It's going
fast.
off.
You got like 800 people in there.
Right, but like it's just like I can't get short here.
No. So like, yeah, this is what I'm
I'm on the 1 minute chart now.
I more so again like I like longs with like a tight stop, you know, around here. Like, but I'm much more of a reversal than a momentum trader.
Are
to be
you
honest.
oh, okay. I like that.
I'll do this guy with these. I wish you could show that. You can't put Fox up, right?
Oh, the
That
face?
shit-
Oh.
That's the funniest shit if you
Oh.
put that up.
With the face.
He's making like. He's like a. He looks like a knockoff. What's his actor? Yeah, Ben Affleck.
He's the Timu.
He's the Ben Affleck.
Honestly though, like I mean, I'm not trying to be like you know, mean, but like how many people that are deaf are watching the fucking TV?
I guess the emotion helps, right? If you don't know, if you can't hear, at least you can visualize it.
What is the
on their-
sign language? What is the sign language for being on fire? That's it.
You know sign language?
Victoria said that's what
Oh.
is it? Show the camera.
Tradeify guy. They call me Tradeify guy. Great. Which account size is the best that qualifies based on back-end data? Oh my God. Come on. Look, I'll tell you this. It really just depends on the trader, right? It depends on, there's so many different types of traders. If you're somebody who needs to have more drawdown, then you know a bigger account's for you. Traditionally speaking, the, you know, 50K performs usually the best though. But again, it's tough because a lot of people will go for a 50K account because why? It's cheaper. Right,
You know,
so
I think me and
it's
you,
tough.
we've trolled each other a bunch on Twitter and stuff, but I think we've always agreed on the fact of you're not really buying a 150K account. You're buying drawdown.
Yeah, 100%.
And that's like, that was always like my biggest gripe with a lot of firms because they're like, oh, we have the 150K account. It's like, who fucking cares? It's all about the drawdown, you know?
Yeah.
It don't matter. I had one guy one time, he commented, he's like, wait, what stops me from just like buying an account and then withdrawing all the money. I'm like,
Some people just, they don't read anything. They just.
No, but they were like, if I have a $150,000 account, why can't I just request a payout and get $150,000?
My God, it's insane.
I mean, that would be an amazing email to get. Like, dear Tradeify, I would like to just cash out my entire account.
You should see some of the emails. It's insane.
Have you had any?
I put a couple on blast, like some funny ones. I put a couple on Twitter before, but
Have you had anybody with just like an insane, like an insane excuse for like, hey, so I woke up this morning and my cat, he walked across my keyboard and it got me short and then I lost everything.
There's so many, like, I didn't log in. Someone must have logged into my account and I like show them that it's from there. I can literally show you it's from, like, it's funny when I get in there because like I really ram people. I'll be like, I show them. Yeah, it sounded weird.
Ooh, you little.
I'll show them like their IP and everything. I'll be like, you logged in, you placed this order from, like, we can see all that. So like, I'll go in there and like really just swing it right at them, and then they're like, okay, you're right. Like, and it's crazy because they don't even fight back on it, and it's like you really tried to just finesse that. And but it happens all the time.
I swear to God, Matt L one time posted one. It was like, I woke up this morning and my window was open.
A bird took a shit on my keyboard, and
somebody climbed through the window at night and put me into a long, and I lost my whole entire account.
A squirrel came in and market bought 15 contracts.
That that always happens for some reason. And what I never understand though is why do these people that break into people's houses and trade for them, why do they never make money for them? Like I'd be like, I wake up in the morning, I'm like, damn, I got robbed. Like, wait, I'm up 100,000 in my account. Sick. It'd just be really
nice.
Guys,
40% works for everything but the 150. By the way, it's an hour. It's a flash sale. I don't know if I told you.
It's already over.
We got 10 minutes. No. I did it till 11:30.
I think we're going to go lower here. I'm going to try a little short.
So 10 minutes left. 11 minutes left, guys,
here
on the 40. And then it drops to 30 for all accounts except the 150.
I'm shorting right here, baby. Give me a little easy peasy.
See, like, yeah.
Through this low.
I see you always do these plays. I can't.
You don't like these plays?
No. I mean,
I like to play.
It's a momentum
you
play.
You don't like my play?
It's nice. If you break below that 925, yeah.
It worked. Damn, I made money in a Tradeify account, so now Brett's got to pay me. Can I get a cash payout?
Cash payout?
Can you come to the BDH with a big
You want me to just come with like 20 money guns and shoot the payout at you?
No money guns. I want fucking bags.
No money guns in
Bring
here?
Bring a Louis Vuitton bag full of cash.
No money guns in
we
here?
We do have a money gun, but I didn't want to use it because...
Not a pure gold one?
I had one, yeah. Actually, one of our... I don't know if you have a mutual, but one of the guys who's working on the FTT whole lawsuit, what's his name? Daniel Hussey, I think his name? Yeah. You seen him on Twitter? Yeah, he was here the other day. Checked it out. Brought me a bottle of champagne. We got to do something with that. Should we just pop it and just spray it all over the office? No, I'm not. Spray it all over the TVs? Ginger! Ginger, we need to clean this up. Just pop the bottle. I was thinking maybe break it. Like on the warehouse, just... It might be hard to break, honestly. Cut it open? You got a fucking saber?
You don't need a saber. You can just do it with a knife.
You need a katana.
You didn't bring your katana?
You can actually do it with a phone or a computer too.
A phone?
Cut off.
Can I use your laptop real quick?
Yeah.
With a phone?
Come on, let me use your laptop.
And phone.
Wait, no. With your phone? You're lying.
YouTube though.
I don't believe it.
This is another one of those things, Alex, that I just say.
There's no fucking way that you can just knock it off with your phone. There's no way. Doesn't work. Wow, look at that. I don't want to brag, but
someone in the chat said I fish better than Pat. Oof.
You do?
No, they did. Oh no, I don't fish at all.
Staring into the ocean.
Hey, chat, you can stop writing BDH in the chat. The giveaways are done for now.
Yeah.
Relax, chat.
Chat, a little Q&A if you want. Ask me anything. I'm here. AMA.
You got a little bit longer here with this guy. I don't know how he'll probably never come back after today. So get what you can.
What is the code for Tradeify? PW. Come on. The code is PW. It doesn't work on the 150, guys, and it's over in 9 minutes.
Oh, Coach Dakota's down 500 on the day.
But the house account's up.
But the house count's up.
No, 5,000.
Oh,
Dakota's down
5,000.
I guess that's when they locked themselves. That's pretty cool. I didn't see that before.
The best was when fucking Patak was like, they were down like 40,000 on the day, and they're like, yeah, but we're trading within our risk parameters because we have a $50,000 max loss for the day. I'm like,
that's a crazy risk parameter.
but the best is they've never made fucking $50,000 in a day. me personally,
Yeah.
not to be a hater, but like when I trade, I can't risk 50,000 when I'm only making $500 on a day. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, that's just like simple
lot of-
trading,
A lot of
right? Like for you, Brett, like what's your kind of R&R?
It depends. It depends on the day, but
Brett's like it's either 100,000 or break, baby, 0 on the options. Options are hard for the
it's
R&R.
different for everyone, right? It just depends on how. Like, I mean, it's a shitty thing to say, kind of. But it does depend on how you value money. You know, how much.
How do you value money, Brett? Mister, what kind of shoes you got on there? Dior's? Are those Dior's?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Little
you
bit.
got them fancy shoes.
Little bit.
What did you drive here today? Oh, you got the SQ8.
The fake years. Come on.
Why didn't you get the RSQ8? Oh.
All right. I honestly don't even know what is that. Isn't that
The sports version.
Oh. So honestly, this is the baby car.
Yeah?
The
You got a
baby SU.
right?
Yeah, he's
How
one.
old?
He just turned 15 months.
I got a 12-year-old. He's fucking...
Yeah, I
he's
see you
a-
guys out. It's must
He's
be
a-
sick,
he's a little
like,
person.
doing stuff with him, right?
Yeah, no,
Yeah, I
it's,
can't-
it's sick.
So we just took him to Disney,
At
and he was
one?
loving it. Well, yeah, he runs around. He loved it all.
Did he know where he was at?
I met we had like our Tradeify like summit there, so it was kind of half
You
work,
guys had a fucking summit at Disney?
half pleasure thing. Yeah, Orlando. It's the mid ground. So I have
Y'all
a
went to
partner.
Epcot.
I have a partner in the UK and another one Hawaii. So
Hawaii?
I'm actually the middle.
Wow.
So it worked out.
We're at what island in Hawaii? On Oahu?
Yeah.
I wonder if I know them.
Oh,
I
a lot
might.
of questions here. Why didn't you take that long? Well, it's held that GP, yeah. Does liquidity... Sorry, I'll read the chat now. I see a lot of you guys asked. You guys were asking some stuff here. How many international clients does Tradeify have?
You don't know this off the
I think
top of
it's
your head?
less than 10%.
Really?
But it's more than 3. If that...
Less than 10%. Wow. So mostly
Yeah, a
America.
lot of US... Oh, well, it depends what you...
Oh, you don't consider Canada international?
yeah, I guess I should... I don't consider them international, though.
Watch out, there's a Canadian in the chat. Or in the room.
I mean, I can't, right? We're about to buy Canada, or not buy. We're about to combine with Canada, or
I think-
they're about
yeah,
to be
we
the
could-
51st state.
it would just make
Right?
sense.
Merger with Sin.
2 coming in, Greenland.
Greenland.
In
I think
Canada?
I think America
Can you
definitely
imagine?
needs Greenland.
That'd be funny.
How does straight to funded work? You just skip the eval. Trade off is a little bit harder rules in the sense of consistency. Nothing else different. How old is Tradeify? Started in 2021, but we just launched in August. We're still
When
in.
was your first? When did you do your first payout? Do you remember it? Was it like your? Was it
first
like you
payout was
put it on the board on the wall?
Did I do
How
a board?
much?
I should have did something. How much was it? It was 3,000.
3,000.
Definitely
First
three, yeah.
payout ever. Okay.
It was about a month after we launched.
How long was that trader trading with you guys? You remember?
It was a month
Yeah.
because so we had the windows then. So we launched on I think it was August 18th or 19th, and I should probably know that. And then the first window.
Well, you know how some restaurants have like they put like their first dollar bill that they. I feel like for a prop firm, you should
I should put the first payout certificate, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. What do you think of the payout certificate with the fund? You seen it,
I don't
right?
know. I never got a payout.
You seen them though with the fund. You see the Lambo with the funded?
Yeah, no,
yeah,
they look
yeah.
good. They look good. Alex is he's my designer over there. He could, you got to look at it and tell you what he thinks.
Give me
Wait,
a
have you seen the
little bit of
Tradeify
tips.
payout? No. You haven't seen it? No. Google it. See what it looks like. Give us a grade.
Just go on X or whatever. Just type in payout.
Overheated. Classic.
This one?
These cameras are shit. Don't buy these cameras. I thought they were gonna be all nice and beautiful, but no.
I got an FX3 and I don't know how to use it. So maybe I'll have one of you or someone come fix my shit. It's never good quality. I need
I'm over tech support.
need definitely some help over there.
You're
How
back.
many? Let's see.
See, now we're just in this chop zone. This is like the worst spot because now it's just like we chop around, we do stupid shit.
Usually trade at this time.
No, I normally never. I'm normally done by now. This 10 a.m. reversal, I mean, fuck.
It was fire, dude.
That's what, 100, 200 points pretty much? Well, like
Talk
150
more.
points?
150.
My fib
That's all
strategy.
you
So
need.
the fib, I'll just do the GP to the 236. I have like a video or something on it somewhere. You would probably like it, honestly.
What?
The fib stuff. I mean, all it does is it'll just make whatever you do even.
It's happening.
It'll make
it's
you have
exactly like they said.
Yeah, I mean, it'll just line up with what you already do. So, you know, if you have 3 things line up instead of 2, it just gives you more.
The chat said, "Don't listen to Brett and his fib." It's like a religion.
No, who?
Yeah, no.
Hey, Joey Morgan, how you doing? When is Tradeify headquarters coming?
Yeah, you gotta. What do you had like a little podcast? Was that your thing? I saw it with Austin.
No, I was on his.
Oh, he has a new thing.
Yeah.
New little room. I saw his background. I was like, fuck. Because now my podcast room has the same background, but I made it cooler. Don't worry. Put
Yeah,
the TVs
surprised you
in
don't
there.
you don't have a podcast, right? Do
I'm
you?
gonna start one.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
What's
I don't
the
know
name?
the name yet.
Yeah, it's key.
Just the BD boys. BDB. Big Dick Boys. Put that one on the Spotify. I actually do have a podcast from a while back on Spotify. It's not that hard to do them actually. Can Brett show his fib? I don't. This is a family show, people.
You don't get tunes bumping?
I know we had him off for a reason because people were. I thought we were like doing like a Q&A with you. I didn't want to like overpower you.
Oh yeah, I guess. All right.
All right. All right. Well,
How's that? Is that
while Brett's
overpowering?
here, I don't know how long he's gonna be here for, so get your questions in. I'll let him talk.
Yeah,
a
I'll
little
probably
bit.
hang around another 15 or so. If
Hey, you want to come over here, Brett?
Yeah.
Come over here and you can look at on the chart.
all
I'm
right.
still working on getting it all dialed in, but look, you can handle it over there. Explain the chart.
So the only thing, you have Trading yeah. I mean, you have a
trading view.
Trading View. This one I'm on. All right.
Yeah.
How's the music to volume? We good? Where's chat?
We can
Good?
turn
Here.
turn down a little bit.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right, so I'll show you guys. I'll show you a little bit, because guys, I was a trader first. You know, I do the influencer thing too, but I'll show you guys how I use the fib. I gotta edit his fib here. Hopefully he doesn't hate me for it. He's halfway there. I'll show you guys how I use the fib. Give me a second. 0.707.
Show us how to get rich.
Hey, I'm trying over here.
All right. Nice work. We'll get you figured out. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
He's leaving me here. Everyone's leaving. They said I'll be back at 4. All right.
Don't blow up my Tradeify accounts. Brett's just gonna go all in on my Tradeify account, so you just blow them all up. Don't do that. It's not nice.
All right, guys. So this is how I set it up, right? So I'm gonna go to the 5-minute. I'm gonna take off his stuff for right now.
Let's. Are they local or are they okay. Yeah, let's jump on a call. I'll jump on a call with them.
I'm gonna.
I guess who's up in the chat?
I can take off your indicators, right? I can take off your indicator. I'll just.
Yeah.
All right. You got it. All right, you got it saved.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, you want me to hide them? Or whatever. Anyway, all right. So here's what I do, guys. So when I do fib, this is my like bread and butter shit for the most part. So fib is a reversal, mostly a reversal strategy. You can also find ways to use it to find blow off the tops, etc. But you want to aim for a swing high to swing low, right? So this clearly right here, right, is the swing high, right? And you can see that the market keeps dumping until we get down to this 10-10 or so level. By the way, the sale is about to end, or it might have just ended. 40% just ended, so it's 30% now, just so you guys know. Anyway, so if you're in a downtrend, right? If you're in a downtrend and you want to look for a level to short, right? If you want to look for a level to short, you want to draw it from the high down to the swing low here, right? So the high to the swing low. So this is a swing low. Now, some people might be saying, oh, in hindsight, this looks easy. Like it rejected the golden pocket. You're drawing this after. Can't see the whole chart? Oh, sorry. There we go. I'm not used to this. Like, I'm used to my setup, so it's tough with all the screens. Can you guys see now? Good? There we go. So this is a swing high, right? To the swing low. Right? Swing high to swing low. And then from here, you want to look for a golden pocket. So the golden pocket's going to be your 618 here. I'll leave this up here so you guys can screenshot that. That's my settings if you guys want to look at that. Everyone says they can't see it. Can you guys see it? Why am I nervous? I'm not nervous. I stream all the time. I'm live all the time. Although this camera, I got to move. I don't know if you guys can hear me in the mic, whatever. Anyway, so this is the rejection level, right? So when I draw this, I'll draw it actually like this. So I'm going to do the replay feature real quick. So I'm going to keep drawing this until I see a move up. So if this kept dumping, I would just keep dragging it down right to the candle. But for right now, it's here. And now I'm going to use the replay feature. Go to the next candle, next candle. Okay. So now this is where we are breaking trend, right? We're breaking trend here because we have, most likely at least, whoops. Most likely at least, right? A breakout above here. And I think Pat drew this before. So now I know that this is definitely the swing low. We most likely aren't going to keep going lower. So now I'll draw the fib. I already have it drawn because I'm, waiting for this to happen. But my levels that I'm looking for to short are going to be the 50% here, right? Why the 50%? Because it lines up with that first bear flag. This is the one he talked about around 10 a.m. And then this is that level down here at the open at that 8:30 data. So then I'm waiting for a pump up to the golden pocket. This is the golden pocket. So, we play this out. What happens? You'll see we wick right up here. And then this is where I would short. So as soon as I hit that 707, I'm short. My stop loss is above the 786. Right? And you can see how that played out very nicely. So now guys, right? Where are we? Now we're in a downtrend, right? But we didn't make another new low. So this is still our low. So what I'd be looking for, and I don't know if it's going to work out too nicely here. Now we can do this the opposite way, right? We can do, oh, I keep moving the chart. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not used to the smaller screen that he puts there. So now we have a move up, right? So we want to look for where it could potentially bounce. And you can see we're fighting a lot of action right here in that 20,900s, right? Because that's where we're looking for a bounce to potentially happen. So while this isn't a very high probability setup because you already had this dump, you had this rejection, we already caught a bounce here and another dump. The second move, for the most part, isn't always going to be the best. So if you ever get a GP move at 10 a.m. or the opening candle, that's going to be your best move. And then that afternoon one's going to be the best. So can you show the settings? Yeah, there's the settings. So, still for me, I'd like, it's not a high probability trade, but I'd like a long here around 930s, stop below 915. It's a higher risk trade, so, I'd go micros or a smaller lot size for NQ. What time frame usually? I use the 15. It doesn't matter, 5, 15. How can I get the code for a giveaway? I think you have to email info@onlypropfirms.com. Something like that. PW with a model shoot in the background. Can we see settings? Oh, they're, sorry. There you go. There you go. And I also hide the background. Turn this off, background. There's no point. Sorry, guys. I'm not used to his setup. I'm used to mine with where the chart is and everything. Brett, let me get my custom code. Customer service told me no. I'm sorry, man. You gotta earn it. You gotta earn it. Do some commissions first, and then we'll look into it. What is the name of your prop firm? Come on, man. Tradeify. What do you target for a TP? Yeah, so that's a good question. So TP on these trades. This one didn't work out, by the way. I told you guys probably low probability. Didn't get stopped yet, but might. Anyway, targets for these are always the 0.5 and the 0.382. And you just basically can keep raising the stop and ride these. Final targets are mostly always going to be that 236. You guys know why? Does anybody know why that 236? What? Why does people think I'm nervous? I'm not fucking nervous. I used to stream every day. What the fuck? What's confirmation? What's the best way? Anybody know why? Why the 236? Here, I'll show you why I do the 236. So I usually use the 236 because if I take now, let's just say that the market bounced right here. Let's say it bounced right here, right? If I take that to the high here, whoops, the other way. If I do this, right? If I put this on top of here, right? So if I draw this again, right? Let's say it bounced here. That 236 is the short GP, right? It's the opposite, right? So it's the opposite levels for the most part. Where am I streaming normally? I don't stream anymore. I'm done with that. I leave it to this fucking guy now. What other questions, guys? No more giveaways? No, I don't think so. I think he did them all. Did he do 5? What do you think? Let me see. I think he did 5. Did he do 5? He did 3. Hey, I'll do one more. I'll do, here. Just put trade in the chat. The keyword's trade. He doesn't even know I'm doing it.
Well, they have like websites now that you can like hire.
Trade in the chat, guys. Pick it in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Just trade. Just the word trade. Count to 30. What time frame do you enter on? It could be anything, 15 or so. Hey, we're heading towards that low a day, you said.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
Came in.
Did you see any reason, or just kind of we lost?
It just
low?
wasn't.
Yeah.
It was holding that level here, but that's what I was saying. Usually, like after that first one, if it doesn't break out, you're probably gonna hit that low. Hey, I'm doing another giveaway, by the way.
I thought they were trying to force you to trade. Trade.
Yeah.
Trade.
You got a soundboard here on this stream deck at all? You gotta get some.
I know, I'm working.
I set up mine with some cool things.
Oh yeah, what you got?
I got some random ass noises, you know, foghorn, all that shit. Little order filled. You always need that. The classic.
Car, am I gonna pull in?
Did you? Oh, the first you brought in before. This wasn't here before, right?
No, I had the Porsche.
Yeah, the portion. Yeah.
You missed the thing.
Yeah. You got them all outside? I gotta go check them out. I don't think I'd ever get one now. I mean, I got a baby, so I don't see myself driving it.
Where do you live?
A little north.
Yeah,
I'm like, yeah. What's my address? Yeah.
A little north, a little south, a little east, a little west.
Close. Hey, so Pat's up here 500 on the day in these accounts. I can see his Tradeify accounts. Should I torch him or what, guys? Should I go balls deep in here on these accounts? They're technically mine, right? I mean, they're with me. All right, guys, we're going to pick the winner real quick here. I don't want to mess with his OBS, so I'm going to just, you guys have to, oh, which one's the Botrix? I was going to pick.
That's it right there. What do you mean?
I was going to show them. Or you know.
Oh, just pull it over to that screen. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, you do the screen.
Yeah.
I do the window.
I know, because sometimes the windows get weird. Like, it'll like.
Yeah, but like, you never know if you put something you don't want to put on the fucking screen.
Well, Brett, you know, I'd not be looking at no porn.
Yeah.
A little weirdo.
You never know. All right, guys, here we go. Except, here we go. Best of luck. Best of luck.
Black cards. No idea.
There he is, stepping in. This fucking guy's gonna blow out my ears in here. There he goes. Hey, Andrew Zamora, congrats. Andrew Zamora. You got to type something in the chat, my guy. All right. Hey, I'll do another one. Fuck it. We'll do one more. So if you guys won, by the way, just email info@onlypropfirms.com. Right? I guess. I think that's it.
Yeah.
All right. We got the confirmation. Man's just ripping it out there. All right. Ramez Lala. Congrats. All right, so that's everybody. All right, guys, I got a couple more minutes here. What time is it? Probably. I got like 2-3 minutes. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. Enough with the trade, guys. Enough with the trade. Giveaways over, guys. Giveaways over. Giveaways over. So the winners, by the way, are, and it's not me who looks. The bot does it all. The winners, all of you guys, just email in info@onlypropfirms. Just give more regulation news. There is none. There really is none, guys. Don't worry. Will Tradeify consider adding platforms? Yeah, we got 2 new platforms coming in the next few months. Do I have any course? No, I don't do courses. I think I have a free course, but I don't know. I don't do that shit anymore. Yes, we're adding Project X. What's your best take from experience to get funded and paid? The best way, the best way to get funded and paid is not to try to go for this right away.
For the Lambo?
Yeah. First trying to get funded and paid.
This thing is.
Hey, double bottom didn't actually break those lows. All right, last couple minutes, guys. And then you taking over here? Or you cutting?
Yeah,
it?
we're
Right.
getting close to the finish line.
Yeah.
Oh, dang. We're so dusty.
Can you trade on Tradeivate? Yes, that's what we're on Tradeify accounts right now. I didn't torch him while you were gone, by the way.
Oh,
don't
you
worry.
didn't make
I
me
told
money?
him. Nah, I was thinking about it.
Fucked up.
I was thinking about it.
Could have made me some money.
How long will Tradeify stay in business? Longer than today. That's for sure.
No promises. At least today.
Not sure. When do you stop trading based on red or green P&L? It depends on the day. Will you get Quant Tower? I think we're working on that. Can multiple people trade with Tradeify that have the same address?
Can I open an account? My
Yeah.
my sister, my brother, my uncle, name?
You have to. It's one per household, guys. What's the big? Should be.
God.
You're trading with us?
That's so much dust.
You guys using the same? Oh, you're not.
No.
All right.
What's your activation fees?
We have basically like we're the one-stop shop. So we got like the Apex type thing, cheap, but then an activation fee. We have you pay a little more, like $80 for an account, and there's no activation fee.
Is it like funded futures?
Yeah. So we basically those are our 2 plans.
Oh, I'm surprised I actually don't have an account with you guys then, because I would funded futures.
Sky doesn't want to shill it out, huh?
He actually doesn't do it. He doesn't teach me at all with the trading.
Oh.
I do all my own
You-
research.
You taught her the initial ropes, and now she's too profitable.
I never taught her shit. I gave her the course. Then
There you go. Yeah, get that course, guys. Right?
I made her pay for it too.
I need an affiliate code for the course.
I got you, dog.
Might have to get back on my affiliate. Look at this guy cleaning it.
I just washed it and it got all dusty because they're fucking doing construction out there. Oh, God.
It's a solid setup.
not bad.
It looks good on camera. Yeah, it looks sick.
Now it's hard because like, which car do I park here all the time? It's kind of
Yeah.
up. Every live stream, different cars.
Yeah. You gonna add anything else in here? Or, I mean, I know
Yeah.
you said the
No, the
simulator.
simulator's gonna take up a lot of room. It's huge.
Yeah.
So.
Giving you more desks though, right?
I don't No, maybe like one more desk, but
I don't know. If you have that, with that, I wouldn't put anything else.
Yeah,
You want some like space, you know?
yeah.
I mean, right now, I think it looks great right now. You really want to put?
Gonna be like here.
I think it looks great like right now. I mean, how big is that fucking thing?
The simulator?
Yeah.
3 55-inch curved monitors with
Oh,
the.
man, how you
it's
gonna
got the chair that moves and fucking.
Yeah.
So you know exactly what's happening. All right, let me wrap this bitch up.
Yeah. All right, fam. It was nice being here. Thanks for having me, everybody. Stick with this guy. You'll be all right.
Oh, look at that. I'm endorsed by the CEO of Tradeify. Dude, your butt's hot, bro. You're on camera, by the way. This camera, right in front of you. All right, so.
Thank you guys. Thanks for having me. Thanks for having me, Pat. Appreciate it.
How did everybody feel about the Fibonacci class here? Feeling good? Feeling good? Everybody feeling good about it? Hey, by the way, next week we're back to live streaming. I know it's been a minute, but I told you guys, first time I'm going to stream, it's going to be in this fucking dojo. In the dojo, baby. Is everyone looking at Colin, looking at my car? You don't even know. Secret cameras placed in the thing. And then it's fucking hot in here. Whew. Whew, it's hot. Might not be able to wear this suit every day. I think this now is like. I don't know. It's gonna be hard to do a suit every day. Just do the Rolex every day, baby. No suit needed. What you got on?
Come on, baby.
Oh!
Of course.
Which one you got?
Pepsi.
Ooh, I got a Pepsi. This guy. Dude, OG really loves you, Brett.
OG.
I don't know, some guy in the chat is going, Brett, you're the GOAT.
Thanks,
100 times over.
Thank you.
I think he wants something from you.
Wants another giveaway,
Probably. They always want a giveaway.
We gave them all.
We did. No, we had a good day. It was a good. I mean, not only did we gave them fucking some killer trades here as well.
Yeah, it was a good day.
Good day. Fresh Cash Friday, baby.
Everybody will go on X and say, oh, it was choppy.
Oh, yeah. ICT's got to put a video up later. Like, I would never trade this price action. It's way too predictable. What's my P&L? It's.
I was hoping that the last day of the year that he would show his gains there.
Yeah. No, he's going to. His 1 million gains, right?
Little deal with the broker, and they were hiding him from the leaderboard.
Well, no, because that's what his followers were like. Oh, Patrick, he's been holding a position all year.
Yeah. Like, he told them to hide his gains until.
Yeah.
Today.
Don't count his gains until the end of the year.
All right. Well.
Lux Algo wants to get ICT on here. I highly doubt we're going to get ICT on here, but you never know. It could happen. We'll see. I'll put my executive assistant over there to work. Maybe she can figure it out.
A round table with him and Rips.
Gee, that would be a fun one right there. All right, boys and girls, big thank you for everybody tuning in today. It was a lot of fun. And like I said, we'll be back next week. It's getting hot in here. The BDH is open for business. You never know. On Monday, I've actually got another special guest. He's, I guess, the owner of a real brokerage, Optimus Futures, right here in South Florida as well. So he's a real futures. Not that Brett's not real, but this is a real futures brokerage owner who's going to be here on Monday to talk more and share some stories and just talk about life. So if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button. We'll be back next week for even more. And it's been a good day. Big thank you to Brett for stopping by, even though he was late. You know, these CEOs, man, they live on their own terms. When you're making as much money as Brett does, he just shows up when he wants and does what he wants. He goes to the airport, the plane leaves at 9 o'clock. He says, I ain't gonna get there till 9:10 because they're gonna be waiting for me. They're gonna be like, Brett Simba, please report. Brett Simba, please report. So there it is. Big thank you guys for tuning in. Again, without you guys, well, I'd pretty much just be streaming to nobody. So I do.
Guys, it was great being here. Shout out Pat putting this together. Be sick to see what he does this year. But
2025, baby, we going big. I think everyone's going big 2025. It's gonna be a big year for prop firms in general.
Yeah, it's gonna be big. There's gonna be a bunch of
shake-ups and hold-ups. But the good thing is it's
nothing. Everything's mostly just rumors, guys. Don't fear anything. For most
that coming from you is really funny because you're the king of the Twitter post rumor.
How only post if it's something? I said something's coming.
Brett loves to post on Twitter. Something big's coming.
But I do it when it's definitely coming out. Like I said, you guys
all right.
see some news Monday, I think, or Tuesday. Nothing crazy. If anything, it's good for you guys, I think, at least. And yeah, that's it. Appreciate you guys having me here. And
Hey, there you go. Thank you. There it is. I guess we'll just we'll call it right there. We'll maybe leave this camera up for a minute and you guys can watch us do some weird shit in the background. But big thank you guys for tuning in. We've been live now since 9 o'clock, almost 3 hours of action here. We gave a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. And yeah, his mic wasn't working, but he said basically if you go to Tradeify and use the code PW, it's 100% off. Right now, just go to Tradeify, use the code PW. You have to buy it, and then it's 100% off afterwards. He didn't say that actually, but he might have. He's gone. No, he's out. All right, there it is, boys and girls. Big thank you, and yeah, we'll see you next week. And like I said, I think right now Apex is 90% off. Everybody wants those PW followers, so check them out. The best part is, like, for me personally, I think Brett, like he said, he trades with multiple prop firms. I think there's nothing wrong with. I kind of like having the multiple prop firms because it's like if I blow up, all my Tradeify accounts, then I always got another account to go to. I always got backups. No, but it does let you kind of, what I think is a good way to look at it is you can kind of like maybe have some accounts you're a little bit more aggressive in, like maybe those are the accounts that you're like, hey, I'm going to be aggressive in these just because like I'm not close to a payout. And then if you have your accounts like, hey, I really want to make these my like safe accounts and trade them safe.
Day ones, you have to be safer.
Yeah, exactly. So nothing wrong with it.
Apex,
When is the PW? See, people keep asking about the PW prop firm. We talked about. Brett actually told me, he's like, don't do it.
I
Don't do it. I don't want to do it actually. I think I see Brett and I'm like, man, he's looking like he's getting older by the day running that prop firm. He used to be a young looking guy. Now he's like, got some gray hairs in there. So there it is, my friends. If you haven't already hit that like button, well, where are we at? 2,200. That might be, I don't think it's a record, but it's pretty good. Big thank you. And I will see you guys later on. I don't know if the Apex 90% off deal was only for like 2 hours. So if you guys got it, you got it. So PW funded. No, we're not doing it. OG said, I'm profitable because of Brett. This guy really loves you. You need to find this guy.
OG, relax. It's all right, but I appreciate you, bro.
OG loves Brett. Loves him. All right. Turn all the lights on, just walk out. It is, I'm like hot. Is everybody else hot?
No.
Yeah.
I'm fucking
A little
burning
bit.
up right now. Ooh, the dark king.
Got us in a little sauna light here.
Yeah, that's my IR light.
Yeah. Are we still mic'd here?
I'm gonna turn this.
be your mirror.